bring my little baby, it's a vacation. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. It's not tricking if she's yours, so no, I'm spending, yeah. If I got it, then she got it, tell her spend it, yeah. What I own and know she owns enough and rent it, yeah. If I'm dipping, tell her slide, it's no question she gon' ride. Tell her count it up, make sure it's all there. We were down and out, this gon' be all, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and tell her spend it, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah.
Yo, what's good? Yeah, I know this music, bro. We're getting it all sorted and put to bed tomorrow, man. You know, we've got the new setup coming, so we're gonna sort all of that out tomorrow. So just sit tight. What's going on? PC Shed, what's happening, bro? Yeah, get the likes up, guys. I'm gonna add new music, man. I'm gonna add new. Yeah, I gotta get the royalty-free stuff in there, man. Hey, Adriana, how you doing? Yeah, I know the music is good, but bruv, like Aperol Spice Girls, that's rough, man. Yeah, but I need to get, add some more to it. But tomorrow we've got the new setup, so that's just it's gonna be unbelievable tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be fire tomorrow, you know? But yeah, just a little bit of housekeeping, guys. I mean, 273 likes, 517 of you in the room, 558. Let's move. Let's get these likes up because we got a lot to talk about. We've seen a lot of projections being hit today, man, since last night as well. It's been very interesting, and I'm going to go through the altcoins as well later on. And I just want to know what coins actually played out from last night's projection. So if any of you are new to the stream, make sure you go and watch last night's video, all right? And you'll be able to see the projections play out, all right? So just looking at Ethereum. Okay, I'm just going to wait for a few more guys to come in. Bambino, Tony, you should listen to. I've got some good tracks from some people, all, copyright free and all that stuff. Ah, that's why. Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, Ada's been, last night he called 192. Yeah, it hit. Yep. 192 Litecoin last night, it hit. Yeah, we'll call out another one tonight, man. Putting you on speakers while I shower, Yeah, my voice is battered. I can't even laugh tonight, man. RSR 1 hour is the perfect chart. Okay. Nice one, market maker, man. Oak, you need to send it to me again, bro. My messages are just going crazy, man, and I'm feeling bad because I can't get back to anyone. Would you ever consider allowing community to copy your trades using C Trader copy? Yeah, I don't see why. I mean, if you're allowed to. The only issue that I've got, guys, is just that financial advice madness. You know what I mean? If there are ways around it, then I'm happy to do something to get it all, get the trades copied. Happy days. Do you know what I mean? Sound like Jordan Belfort. Wow. Anyone that's new here, can I find who's new to the stream tonight, guys? I just need to know who's new to the stream. Let me know who's new. New. Okay. Who's new tonight? Ahmed, thank you very much for being a member. Wicked. All the new people that are coming into the stream, what's good? Thank you so much for passing through. If you want to get a glimpse of what this stream is about, my advice to you is, stay where you are, watch this stream. There are going to be a few terms that you may not or may be familiar with, all right? But don't worry, if you go to last night's stream, all right, and watch it, it will put a lot of what I'm going to be saying for you in, it's going to put it into perspective for you, all right? So I did get around. What's this about financial advice? As you can tell us what you will do or will do, but you cannot tell a specific person what he's supposed to do. Is that all it is? If that's all it is, then, I mean, I'll get that checked out, man. I know. That all it is. If that's the case, then people can just got a lesson today, longing it. Really like, yeah, that's cool. New miner, Ethereum. Cool. How you doing? Wicked. Nah, that's all good, Ahmed. You know, anyone that joins, the stream, happy days, man. I'm looking to get things. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find, once we get the computer all set up, we're going to start doing specific streams for members only. And, just to calm it down because the lives, they get crazy. And I just want to do like a Q&A for everyone as well, because I know people have got questions about the strategy. This isn't my strategy, guys. I've taken two concepts and married them together. I've created the hybrid, what I understand about the PVSRA and what I understand about the market maker method by Steve Marin, just putting them together to see how it works as one system. And so far, you guys are actually understanding it and you're killing it. So take some of those profits and get a lawyer on retainer, bro. I know. Thank you very much, guys. Everyone that's supporting, subscribing, joining the channel, mad respect to you guys, But we're going to start talking about patterns right now, guys. We're going to start talking about patterns. Really help confirm we are seeing the right pattern. Yeah, Gordon, I know they do, man, and that's what I'm going to keep doing. That is exactly what I'm going to keep doing. Hello, Ken Barbie. What's good, man? What is good? Yeah, guys, can we like the stream so we can get the party started? The 378 of you have liked the stream. Let's get the stream liked up. We've got 700 people in the room. We're going to start talking about some very interesting things. Tyler, don't worry, man. I'm going to get on with it, bro. I got to introduce myself to my peoples, bro. Relax. We got it here, man. I got to acknowledge everyone. I ain't just that guy. Another 1000% for me yesterday. I made 18 times my money in 2 days. Well, there you go. Happy days. Happy days. All right, then. Smash the like button. Nice one, Royal. Nice one. Yeah, Ken Barbie is the killer of dreams, man. He decides who lives and who dies. Drug dealers. All right, and cool. So, the question that I've got for everyone today, right, is how many of you were in this trade today? I want to know how many people took this M, but more importantly, how many of you took last night's trade and how many of you actually rode it all the way to the top? And yeah, there's no predictions in this live stream, guys. It's only projections. Yeah, I know you got me, Tyler. Don't worry. You bite, I bite back. Guys, thank you for becoming members, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, so, okay, so we got I did. Yep, no, took the short. Yep, PCI, expect that. Still long, you haven't sold. Dude, man. Okay, me up, but I'm vet. Okay, made a K off, 1K off 10K on the last night's son. I took last night's wicked, wicked, wicked. So everyone got paid. Get out of here, Alex. I didn't give you no financial advice. I just told you, I just drew a pattern and you happen to translate that pattern, is still on either way. Okay, cool. Last night's to the top. Okay. Paid myself. That's what I want to hear, guys. Flips on ether. All right, then. Cool. You got paid. That's what I want to hear. Nice one. No worries, man. You got paid. That's all good, man. Do you understand, guys, why I genuinely believe that the Discord, the collection of people who are posting their wins, their profits in the Discord from a 4-week period, I mean, easy over 300K now. 300K ripping into the markets, guys. That's wild. You should be proud of yourselves, man. Golden hue, man. You just woke up, thought, yeah, man, I'm going to take this trade, and went back to sleep. That is wild. Yeah, look, this is what I'm going to be going through tonight. You guys saw it. Whenever something happens like this, when you see an M and then a W appear straight away, you're going to be able to understand how to distinguish the difference between what's going to happen first. All right? So we're going to consider that in a moment. All right? Gonna wait for you guys. 757 of you guys. Let's get the likes up, okay? And then we're gonna start talking about it. Guys, look, ADA's gonna be sitting tight right now, all right? They're moving Bitcoin and Ethereum. You know what? They could actually move Bitcoin and Ethereum all week before they even consider touching ADA. You know, they may want to take Ethereum and Bitcoin to key levels and then say, you know what, we're going to hold it and then we're going to move back. Yeah, we're going to take our money and put it into ADA. No different to the fractional disparity from in Forex. Yeah? Okay, then cool. All right, then. So I'm going to get straight to it. So enough of you took this trade today. So there were two patterns that played out today. We had the rise, retrace, continuation. Now, if you recall, the moment I came on the live this morning, we made a projection that price would hit the M4, which, and in this area here was the range daily high, and it did exactly just that, and it pulled back. So the projection played out perfectly. All right. I advise you go and watch that video that I done this morning. Watch the first half an hour, 25 minutes, maybe the first hour of it. All right. And, you know, you'll come to understand how the patterns develop. What I'm trying to get you guys to realize is when you watch trades live, when you watch patterns play out or develop in the live status, okay, you're going to come to understand a pattern of how it forms. Because it's easy for me to just say to you, yeah, look at this W formation, all right? Or look at this M formation. What you got to do is wait for the M formation, and then when it appears, you trade it. I mean, guys now are asking, you know, what constitutes the, you know, the criteria of an entry on an M pattern or, you know, or a W. Okay, so I'm going to go through that now. All right. Sold a golden egg at the top of the M when I have a little chick named Chuck Hatch. Dinkai, you need to save these, man. You need to save your comments, bro. They are funny. Have I? Punished opinions. That is crazy. You know what, guys? I'm new. Henry, thank you so much, man. I'm new to the YouTube streaming concept, okay? Before I was just always on Twitter, post a few things. I just, you know, I kept trading to myself. Took a couple of hits. You know, I'd put posts somewhere, write a little bit. I was like, you know what, leave it, man. Too many traders out there trying to do the same thing over and over. You know, what could I do differently? You know? So, yeah, but here we are today. Got a lovely community. So we're going to start talking now. You know, the 720p gang. Yes, we are the 720 gang. But you see what happens tomorrow, bro, when it runs on 4K and you ain't got the compatibility for it. Nah, man, tomorrow it's 1080p, man. We've got everything set up tomorrow. All right, then. Yeah, well, if people are disliking, then that's their qualms. They got the qualms. I'm live with that. It's all good. It's all good. All right, then. So, what actually constitutes a pattern from the M to the W? Well, let's get with it. I'm going to look at Ethereum first. All right. So, oh God, what's this? All right. All right, then. So once this pattern played out here, the actual pattern itself, the rise, retrace, continuation, notice that they pulled back price in this area and it didn't go anywhere near the 50-day on the 15-minute time frame, right? And it was very extended away on the actual hourly. I mean, look at that. That is crazy. You know, they didn't look, and it was just riding above the 5 and the 13 EMA. The 5 and the 13 EMA are really good signal EMAs, man. You know, because they tend to move and change quite quickly. All right. Even when price breaks below it, you know, it's a good reader of where things are going to go. All right. So we took the ride to the upside. Now, notice, guys, whenever we see these green candles, man, it's just so many people get trapped in this game. All right. So many people just got trapped this morning, trading this out, trading the all-time high, not the all-time high, the high of the day. All right. So here we go. Make it interesting. At what point, okay, would we have understood an entry on this pattern? So when you witness price taking out a critical pivot point, all right, on such high volume, all right, or should I say you know, such a wide spread in price. You know, this big green candle is taking out key levels, man, you know, and it's inducing traders to go long, you know. So, what? BitBoy Crypto. Tell me that's a different guy. BitBoy got modded. BitBoy in the house. Are you shitting me? Did BitBoy just come into this stream? Obviously he didn't. It's unlikely he did. Because he's got a verification on him, hasn't he? Fake. Yeah, I thought so. It's like when Mr. Beast came into the live yesterday. Yeah, I trade futures every now and then. Yeah, great candles. They are just price moving up and down, you know? Yeah. Okay, cool. So, right then. So the quality, a lot of people were getting trapped in this area here today. All right. Now, when you guys see a high being made, right, you're looking in order for it to classify as a M formation, right? You're looking for price to be aggressive to the upside. Now we are expecting vector candles. So the vector candle actually started from here, then moved here, and then moved here, pin to the high, pull back. All right. So, you know, vector candles, ideally you want to see them close to each other. All right. But they wanted to control this move. All right. Now you got to remember as well, guys, look what happened last night. You know, yo, Yeluzar, how you doing, man? That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Thank you so much, man. You didn't have to do that, bro, but thank you so much. That is crazy. Mad donation there, bro. Thank you. But look at what Ethereum was doing from last night, all right? She touched the key psychological zone, all right? The 1463, rose above the 50-day, and we had a beautiful cross. Did anyone notice the cross of the 200 and the 50-day on the 15-minute time frame, which is the hourly crossing over the 13 EMA, all right? That's the important bit. So sorry, the 13 EMA crossing over the 50-day on the hourly, which is really important, yeah? Now, outside of the zone from Asia, you can see that they push price out. London took over, okay? Hong Kong pretty much said to London at this session here, they said to them, look, we've managed to trap the liquidity down here, all right? You're going to get an opportunity to tap it. Let's go. So they pushed it all the way up. London came in, pushed it all the way up, peaked to high. Then they started to realize returns on that coming back down, all right? So a lot of you are probably going to be asking, all right, where would you classify an entry on this pattern? All right. Now, remember, guys, not every entry is static. You know, it's not static. You can't assume that just because you've seen a W formation or an M formation, all right, that you have to enter on, you know, a clear cut entry. There's no such thing, because people like to say, you know, what's the best price? What price should I get in on the break of the M? You know, how do I work it out? Don't. Okay. Don't bother doing it. The way you do it is you look at what happens in this area here. We started talking about it earlier on today. We could see that Ethereum was bouncing off the 50-day. So what was going on psychologically in this area is as follows. Let me just take a sip of my tea, man. My throat's gone. He's talking shit. Okay, then cool. So what we got here, before you even consider an M pattern, all right, ask yourself what's going on, or what are the market makers trying to get traders to do, all right? So when Hong Kong finished this move to the upside and the guys in the UK and the States woke up, all right, they missed out on the move, guys. They wanted to, you know, they wanted to get involved with it, all right? So after they made this peak to the high, all right, they reversed price back down. They took out the stop hunts for the guys who started trading the ATH, the all-time high. They took them out, you know? Can you imagine how many people were excited today that Ethereum was gone back up to, you know, 1651? They were going crazy about it. They were thinking, yeah, man, 2K is back on the cards. Let's load up, let's load up. Just look at the candle, how it opened. There was no intention of going anywhere but to the upside. All right. And when they hit price to the high, there are guys who've got limit orders and there are guys that are opening orders right here. That's crazy, man. Dumb money is opening right here. Well, retail traders, you know what they're like. But market makers, they open shorts in these areas. So market makers from last night were building shorts all night. Okay, they were building shorts. Where there was pullbacks, people were thinking it's getting cheaper to get in. Nah, market makers were just taking the liquidity from the guys who were buying the dips. Okay, now here's the best bit about it all, guys. And if you notice this pattern, you'll be able to catch it near enough every single time. All right, when they bring price down aggressively from the high, okay, explore and see which moving average is in sight. So on the 15-minute time frame, look at where the 50-day is. Expect the 50-day, all right, to be touched. All right, if it's not touched, it's going to be very close to it. Now look what happens here. They've pulled price back down and taken out the stops for the guys who opened long in these areas here. All right, they used their liquidity from the stops to get their shorts closed at higher prices and start the markdown phase. Then what happens is they stall. Now the guys who see it stalling, all right, are saying, you know what, I'm going to get in now because I'm buying the dip. There's support of the 50-day. So what the market maker does is he pins the lows. He hits the lows. He keeps hitting the lows nicely. Okay, look at him. Pin to the low, pin to the low. All right, he's absorbing all the liquidity that's coming in this area. There are people that think it's going to go short. There are people that are thinking it's going to go long. So they're setting limit orders, all right, and taking out all market orders as well. Then what happens? Price just zooms back up, okay? It confirms to the retail trader that he's going to be good in this trade. So he sits tight and he's relaxing. All right. He's in the happy days. Okay. Then what happens? They keep price going up. They pin to the low. They come back up. Now price is above the moving averages. This is how they trap the retail traders, right? Price is above the moving averages. Okay. It's at the highs. It's looking like it wants to take out the previous high again. You know, retail traders are going crazy. Okay. Then what happens? They start moving price up and they do not allow it to go anywhere above this previous area. Why? I want to know why they won't allow price to go any higher. I need to know that from you guys. Why will they not allow price to go any higher in this zone? Why did they stall in this area here? I need to know from you guys. Tell me why. 1,037 in the room, guys, and there's 559 likes. Yo, let's get the likes up, guys. I want to know. No cashing out. Trap their shorts. They will lose money. Trap the dumb money. F2 pull. Okay. Because that's where they took their shorts. No liquidity. There's always liquidity. People short so they can break out. Trapped higher. Trap. Okay. So the general consensus is that people saying that it's trapping. Okay. Trapping more longs. Trapping more longs. Yeah. Yeah, okay. What's really happening is if they let the money up here go, all right? If they make the money, exactly, who said it? TikTok. The retail traders will realize a profit, okay, if the market makers continue to the upside. Now, granted, you know, there are instances where the market makers pull back and then they continue to the upside. But consider this, guys, all right? This move from here all the way up was a very sharp move, okay? It's not come from a continuous move to the upside. Understand? Okay. Now the pullback to the 50-day it happened very quick and it didn't appear over a long period of time. All right. So what we've got to understand is when the market makers want to stop retail traders earning money, they keep price. Well, what they do is they get you guys to commit more money. All right. By making price rise a little bit more to install in your mind that you think it's going to continue to the upside. All right. So you're committed. All right. You take out your stop losses. You start thinking, you know what? I'm not going to play my stop loss because I got stopped out over here. I am not letting this trade happen again to me. All right. And when they pull back, they get the retail traders a little bit scared. But then when they bring it back up, they suck them into believing that there's support. Right. Because remember, there are guys that are trading moving averages from the 3, 2, 1, whatever, you know, they've got rainbows across their screens, you know. Now, notice what we see here. a famous number 3, pin to the high, pin to the high, pin to the high, all right? When they start working the range like that, all right, you know they're setting up to move, yeah? Now, you had a lot of time to enter this move, guys, all right? You could have entered on that candle. You could have entered on that candle, all right? That would have been the maximum. So you would have had effectively half an hour to enter in this setup, all right? Don't try and rush the setup, guys. You know, don't try and rush it, because, you know, you've got time to think about it. You've got time to reflect and say, you know what? I'm going to wait. Where's my confirmation? You know, your confirmation is the pins to the high moving out of the zone. Okay. So once you've entered, all right, you see what happened next. The market maker is getting out of the zone. He shifts and he breaks the 50-day. You know, he traps those retail traders and says, you know what? I've got you now. Let's go short. But then what he does is he reverses back and takes out the stops that people set on the way up. Sorry, on the way down, you know? So he uses their liquidity, and then look what he does. He confirms it all the way again. Now, look at where price is in relation to the blue line, which is the 800 EMA, which is the 200-day EMA on the hourly. And then you've got the 200-day on the 50-minute, which is the 50-day on the hourly, right? Granted, they didn't go anywhere near the 200-day, but they bounced back from the 800. Now what we've got is we've got the guys trapped in this zone right here, all right? So in order for you to understand what would constitute an entry, you have to consider this. Got this out here. This pattern is as follows. Yeah? You understand that? Advanced entry. Safety entry. Understand? Do we see that, guys? Yeah? Do we see that? You know? And then a lot of you guys were talking about today, whoa, what's this? Brand reputable people are saying that Ethereum Bitcoin would dip under 14 and 44K again. They're also saying that Ethereum Bitcoin is going to hit 30K. Ethereum and Bitcoin going to hit 30 and 300K by the year end. True, friend. Ethereum Bitcoin dump until next week. Whoa. Darky, look, man, I don't know if you've gone across many thumbnails or you've watched any videos, but, you know, for me to encourage you to come into my stream, I need to let you believe something, all right? So that's probably what's happened here. You know, if Bitcoin goes to 300K, happy days, man. You know, I'm not going to question that. And Ethereum 30K, I am not going to question that, you know? But ultimately, what we've got to do is we need to be patient. You know, we don't make predictions, we make projections. You know, our goal is to make sure that we just take advantage of the fact that we understand the pattern, and the pattern itself is going to pay us. This strategy is for short-term day trading. You know, short-term day trading, guys. We're not interested in what Ethereum's going to do in the next year or in the next 6 months. We're not interested in what she's going to do in the next month. All right. You know, we're just interested in her just, you know, playing out the patterns all the time. You know? So right now we're just waiting. All right. We're waiting. But one thing I need to discuss with you guys as well from earlier on is this W pattern that played out. Okay, hold on. There were a lot of guys that were thinking about this W pattern, which was quite small, right? W pattern can't really appear there when the predominant trade, well, the actual main setup behind it was the M, showed much more dominance. You know, there was more classifications of an M pattern completing than there were as a W. All right. I mean, look how small it was. Where was the shift candle? They were selling as they were going up. There was no shift candle. What you want to do, guys, you want to be looking for M's and W's in respect to what they are. So an M pattern is in favor to go down. W pattern formation is in favor to rise. You think the W is much larger than that? Hasn't played out yet. Well, let's look at it like this then. Let's see it from your perspective. Let's have a look. Quite frankly, what this is, guys, is level 1. Right? Level 1 has formed a peak formation. Peak formation, level 1, rise. The thing is, price hasn't broken away from any other retracement. There's not been any retracement, all right? Hardly. We've got this one here. The price has come back into that zone, all right? What we could be seeing is effectively a W pattern, but actually a head and shoulders. Yeah, all we need price to do is to come over here, drop, and then rise up. That's what we're looking for, you know? Nice one, John. That's great to hear, man. You know, if we look at patterns, not financial advice here, yeah. Don't you normally need a sharp drop for a W to form? Yes, you do, which is why this W is, you know, depending on the W itself. The thing is, guys, you can trade Ws and Ms at the same time. You know, if you catch them, you trade them. Okay? I mean, look, you can trade this as a W. We could be waiting for this to happen, but where is it at? It's right now at the 50-day moving average on the 15-minute, which is the 13-day EMA on the hourly. And the 200-day is the 50-day hourly. And then the 800 EMA is the 200-day on the hourly. Look what it's done. It's pinned the 200-day. That is really important for us. So we are effectively at a very good buying point for the market makers. You know, they will hold this zone. But they could actually come back down and retest the 200 days. So we won't know, you know. The only way we're going to know, guys, is if you place your trades, okay, and you trade a decent lot size where you can actually leave your trade open overnight and go to sleep and wake up in the morning and not be bothered about the loss. That's the key thing, you know. That is the key thing. Zoom out. All right, I see what you're saying. I see exactly what you're saying. You're using this whole pattern here, this massive pattern that you think is a W. Okay, I see what you're doing there. You're playing this one. Drop, rise, drop. Is that what you're waiting for? Rise. You know what? We play this pattern here. We're missing out on so many more opportunities. We're day traders. You know, we want to be in and we want to be out as many times as possible. You know? Not too expressive. Okay, we're in a large W pattern. That's why we think level 3 will happen, not back to level 1 for Friday. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, bruv. I understand what you're saying. Okay, I hear that. Yeah. Oh, no, you sent me a message. Okay. Let's have a look. Right. Okay. Right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at here. Roxana, how do you know? Ginger, yeah, guys, my throat is actually hurting tonight. It really is hurting tonight. You know, and I apologize if it's not sounding like my normal self, you know, but it's ripping me to pieces tonight. Okay. Okay, so the prospective behavior of Ethereum this evening, we're only going to know when Tokyo opens. We'll know where she's at. But are we seeing a trade to the downside? Potentially. I will want to see another retest of the 800 EMA. That's what I want to be seeing. Okay. So, but you know what? What's interesting is it's still in line with the formation, this peak formation down here. This whole setup right now could be level 1. Let's go back to the pattern. So for the new guys here, okay, I'll be getting to those coins, guys. Don't worry, man. You know, yeah, I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna literally go and get one in a second. In a split second, I'm gonna get one. Okay, I just need to discuss this point here. Okay, Who we got in? Evening, Smith. How you doing? You know, evening to everybody new that's here. Sorry I haven't acknowledged you, you know. All right then, so. Right, 2 seconds. Right. I'm expecting now Ethereum to come back down and retest either the 800 EMA, all right, or the 200-day EMA on the 15-minute time frame, all right? They keep pinning the 200-day, sorry, the 50-day moving average. Look at what they're doing here. Pin, 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 pin. I mean, that was a big pin, bang, okay? And they've now pulled it back, all right? So we should see another move to this area here. Ideally, I want to see her hit the blue zone again and then come and hit the 200-day and then hopefully form a decent W formation. She could even come and hit the pivot point, okay? So what we need to do, all right, is we need to wait for this pattern to play out, all right? But you've got to remember, this is level 1. So in line with the cycle is level 1, because when you look at the time frame itself, if you pull up the 1 hour time frame, all right, you can see a small M there, all right? But what we're doing, if you can see Ethereum right now, she's going to start working the 200-day and the 50-day. That's why I ideally want to see, because it then gives me a conviction that the market makers want to bring price back to that zone so they can form a pattern and then move away to the desired direction, all right? So if I get rid of all of these, get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of this. Actually, I'll leave that there, okay? This is level 1. Level 1 is only going to be confirmed when price returns back to this zone here, all right? So my projection for Ethereum to the upside, that is, assuming that the 50-day holds. Remember, guys, you always have to build in the consensus of uncertainty, like, you know, what is the chance of it happening? If it does happen, this is where I want price to go. If it doesn't, then what am I going to be looking for? You know? A big pin left brown staying in some. All right then. So level 1 is here. Level 1 needs to be confirmed when she starts coming back to the upside and takes out this previous high. Level 2 will be started. So what I'm saying to you guys, I'm expecting another move to the upside, which is in line with target 2. All right. Target 2 is this area here. All right. I'm expecting 1680, 1704, the M5. That's what I'm waiting for. But these patterns are going to change over when Hong Kong opens. All right. So what we'll see is this number M4 right now will turn into M3 because it's close to the pivot. Right now, she's testing the pivot, guys. So, you know, there are no entries to the upside, all right, until it forms the support down this area here and tests the 50-day moving average, all right? That's what we're waiting for. Okay. Happy days. Okay. Now, what do I think it would, how long do you think it would take to get to level 2? Well, it depends on what Hong Kong decide to do. What do I mean by level 1, 2, and 3? Okay, guys, right. How many people in this live stream right now are brand new? I mean, we've got 1,100 people in the room, and I am so grateful that you guys are coming in to listen in, all right? Please forgive me, my voice is not what it is. Normally, I've got a better voice than this, but I literally sound like an old frog, you know? And it's literally hurting. I've been streaming for the best part of 4 weeks, nearly 15 hours a day, every day bar Saturday. So you can appreciate, you know, how bad my voice is, okay? Wicked. Guys, you know, you coming into the channel, I appreciate. If you've subscribed or you've become members, I'm really grateful for that, guys. You know, thank you so much. All right. And I do hope that I can get the message of this strategy over to you guys, you know, safe and sound. All right. So let me get to it. You're brand new. Wicked. You're brand new. All right, then. Cool. If we can hit the likes, guys, for all the guys that already know this information, if you came to last night's stream, you know, make sure you like the stream and let's get our likes up to 1,000. So, you know, keeping consistent with the YouTube algorithm. All right. You sound like an Italian actor in a British crime movie. All right. And so market maker method resides on understanding that the market maker has a weekly target. All right. It's a weekly target. He has a week to move money in the market. All right. He moves it from Sunday and he completes it on the following Sunday. Okay. Or no, sorry, he moves it from the Sunday and he completes it the Friday. All right. Now, this is in line with Forex. Cryptocurrency is a little bit different because it's non-stop. But from day one to the final start of the week, okay, he's got to build his profit and move price in a certain area. And this is the way he does it. All right. This is the pattern that you guys need to understand. All right. Now, this pattern, there's a lot of psychological elements to it. All right. There are no indicators that are going to help you highlight this pattern. You know, there probably are. But I'll tell you now, if you understand, okay, this pattern by yourself, you would have cracked the system. Now, a lot of guys say, you know, the Wyckoff methodology and what have you. It's quite complicated, the Wyckoff method. There's so many factors to come into play with it. My goal is to try and give you the most simplified version of understanding the market maker behavior. All right. And the way you do that is by understanding the psychology of what they're trying to make the retail traders do at certain points in time. All right. So the great thing about this pattern so far is we've already completed half of it. Okay. Half of it. And this is where it is. Okay. Watch this. 2 seconds. What have I done here? I put myself on live. Can you believe that? Hear it. Anyway, so this is 2 seconds. Here we go. Right. So we know this is for the new guys. This is the pattern that we're looking for on a weekly basis. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Now, since last night's stream, all right, look what we did from last night's stream. And I really recommend you guys go and watch last night's stream. It's so important, all right, because it shows you how this move plays out, all the psychological factors on how it plays out, okay? Please talk softly on your view about another move down. Why initially we had 3 levels up, which turned into level 1. Now this move up further last night is level 1. Okay, cool. Lawrence, you got to remember there's a cycle within a cycle. Okay. If you remember yesterday, I said that the 15-minute cycle is going to show you a lot more cycles than what the 1 hour time frame is going to show you. Okay. Remember 15-minute candles, 1 hour candle. So a 1 hour candle is 4 15-minute candles. All right. Naturally, we're going to see a lot more 15-minute cycles than we are going to see 1 hour cycles. Okay. Because look, when we consider the 15-minute time frame down here, okay, it formed the pattern at the lows of the Asian session start, okay, but it was also at the true psychological boundary down here. All right. Now this boundary right here is really important for you guys, and I'm going to be attaching the indicators there. All right. Here we go. Look at this. This area here is what the market makers use at the start of the week. They use this at the start of the week to build their spreads. All right. I'm going to go into more of it when I upload the indicator and I talk about it. All right. But on a Sunday night, the market maker builds his spread in this zone. He's either going to trade towards it or away from it. Okay. When he trades away from it, 9 times out of 10, he's going to probably look to come back to it. Why? Because he has to create a market. He has to keep things realistic. He has to return back to the mean. You know? Now, you can see W formation, W formation. We had a rise, okay? We had a small retrace, rise, retrace, rise, M pattern, okay? So in line with your question, Lawrence, look at how quick these retraces occur. And then you've got the pattern right here, which means that this M pattern can do 1 or 2 things. It can continue down to the 200-day. If it finishes at the 200-day, all right, and we see a W formation, then price will return to the upside, okay? When we consider this pattern on an hour time frame, all right, what do we see? All right, this is what we see. Sorry, mistake. Forgive me. I made my mistake. I understand what you're saying, Lawrence. Forgive me. Yes. Level 1 from here. All right. This is level 1. We've now confirmed level 1. All right. By breaking out of it. But what's the problem? Tell me what the problem is. The problem is level 1 is still back in the zone. Why? Because we didn't get a clear break from it. This was a stop, hunt, rise, retrace. Okay. They've come back and tested the 50-day once again. All right. So forgive me for that, on my mistake, on my behalf. I haven't included this area here. But do you understand, though, that this area can still be a level 1? It's a cycle within a cycle. Now I'm looking at the bigger cycle from the start of the week. This was the bigger W. This is how they throw you off, guys. Okay? This is how they throw you off. You know? Because every one of you guys have put 2 and 2 together and said, hold on a second, surely they know that we're drawing these W's and these M patterns. Yes, they are. You know, they know that. All right? And that's why they draw these patterns for you. They tackle you with all this, you know, all these variations of the pattern and whatnot. Now you see the M patterns, the M pivot points have changed. Yeah? Yo, what's up, Ryan? Oh, sorry, Ryan Matter says, hey, nice one, bro. Thank you very much, man. You know? Talking about price action, sellers in control, buyers in control. I agree with you. Do you ever watch depth chart order books? Thoughts? I actually don't, Phil. I actually don't. This is the hour time frame, guys. Okay, this is the hour time frame. Guys, listen, let me just go and sort out my throat. I need to get a bit of a quick drink. Give me 2 seconds, all right? Because we've been smashing the live for a good hour, all right? Make sure you get the likes up, guys. We're nearly at 1,000 likes. Let me just go and get a drink, okay? And I'll be back with you in a split second.
There's something in the air. There's something in the air.
Right, yo, what's good? Sound a bit better, don't I? Man, difference a drink makes, man. My God. All right, then, cool. Yo, when you go to sleep, bro, I always upload these videos, man. They always are recorded to YouTube. Okay? They're always recorded to YouTube. You know, you can always go back to them. And they have to be recorded, guys. You know? Reason being is because when we talk about these patterns, we always refer back to them from the night before, like last night's move to the upside. Okay, refer to the last night's video and you'll understand how it happened and what was developing throughout the build up to it. Okay, so right now we're in level 1, continuation to the upside for the bigger pattern on the 1 hour. Okay, level 1 has been confirmed, but it's pulled back. All right, so level 1 hasn't been completed yet, but we are expecting another move to the upside. All right, so we're just waiting to see what Ethereum is doing on the bigger cycle. All right, remember, this small move to the 50-day and the 200-day needs to be tested, and we're going to know if this move to the downside is weak if they pull away from the 50 and the 200-day. Okay, but on the shorter time frame, all right, we can exploit, all right, the moves. We can trade to the 50, sorry, to the 800 and the 200 and wait for a formation. You know, this is what I mean. This is how you build your repertoire of trade entries. You know, this, how do you determine the start and end of each cycle? So a start of a cycle is determined when, once you leave the peak formation. All right, so let's consider this. There's this small W down here. All right, the start of the cycle is determined when price moves away from the peak formation, and when it pulls back, it ideally needs to pull back to the 50-day moving average to be a valid consolidation level. All right, so you can see the pattern here: rise, retrace. Okay, it needs to come back, and when it comes back, it should be appearing at a moving average, if you can see. All right, so look, it's coming up, and it only pulled back here, and look where it's pulled back, at the moving average. All right, it's pulled up, pulled back, and now it's trying to find support in this zone. Okay, now what's interesting is this: because price on the bigger time frame, okay, has failed to break above level 1, it's not really made bigger ground. Okay, we are still waiting for another move to the upside. My projection is still in play. Okay, my projection to the target 2 is still in play, but we need her to come back down just a small amount, just so she can touch the 800 and the 200-day EMA for it to be a valid move. Okay, before we know, they could actually completely switch things up and continue to the upside. All right, what you can see here, look, you can see a small W, but the smaller the W on the smaller time frames, the greater chance that it might fail. You know, she could actually move back up and retest the 50-day on this time frame and pull back down. You know, so it's all going to be it's going to vary on what the market makers decide to do, and this is what Tokyo and Hong Kong is going to do for us. Okay, this is what she's going to do for us. Okay, right, question. My name's Traders Reality, and I can make a W out of anything. Well, W is a W, bro. You know, I began watching yesterday. I like how you do not hype the movements like most others I've watched. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to hype the move up. So yeah, that's my perspective on Ethereum at the 50-day. That's what I'm waiting for. On the bigger cycle, she's moving back up. Okay, on the bigger time frames, she's moving back up. On the smaller time frames, I'm looking to exploit in and out, in and out. Okay, but I want her to come back down and retest the 800 and the 200-day. That's what I'd be more comfortable with that. I mean, let me look at her on the 5-minute time frame. What am I seeing there? Okay, there you go. Look, variation on the theme. Look, go on the smaller time frame. What do you see? You see another M pattern right there that you could take. Rise, drop, rise, drop. You know what I mean? Peak formation to the upside. You know, there are so many W's and M's, and they try and throw you off by creating so many of them. You know. All right then, I'm gonna have a look at W on Litecoin. It doesn't have to go a bit lower to match a green candle down around 18. Yes. I understand why you've said that. Okay. The general practice is like it would need to hit this green candle here, because this candle here was where the market makers opened shorts at higher prices. So that could be a zone. But look where it's at the 200-day. That's what I'm interested in. Okay? I'm interested in price being in that zone right there. All right? Before it moves to the upside. All right? So if we take the bigger time frame again, all right, to put things into perspective, all right, this is where we are. I'm going to draw. It's going to be thicker as well. But watch this. Rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. Level 1. We're still in level 1 because it's come back. Any lower, if it takes out this low here, the pivot, it sort of invalidates level 1. And then we are in a dead zone as such, when we're not going to know exactly where they want to take Ethereum. We will be then waiting for the next pattern to form. All right? However, it doesn't look like she's going to be doing that. Ideally, I just wanted to come back down, touch the 200-day and move from it. Even if she does come down and hits the pivot but continues away from it, the less time she spends at the pivot, the better for us, you know? So, still projecting to the upside, at least the 1680, but she would need to form base right here. We'll wait until Tokyo opens up. That's what we're waiting for. Tokyo. We need Tokyo to play out. All right? Okay, let me have a look at what you guys are saying. Yep, I'm going to look at the altcoins just before Tokyo opens. Right. The way you distinguish exit points on smaller patterns, right, is you've got to be careful with the smaller patterns because they finish quick. All right. Why? Because the moving average is close. You know, they'll always bring it back to it. You know, and when it moves back to, I mean, look, 50-minute time frame, you can see how often price moves away from it, but always comes back to it. That alone, guys, as a strategy is enough. You know, that alone is enough by the market makers. You know, you can trade that. It's easy. Wait for price to pull away from the moving average and then trade back into it. It's a risky strategy, but it is a profitable strategy. Okay. But let me have a look at Litecoin. Have a look at Litecoin. Get this sorted here. Litecoin is showing support, man. Showing support at this point. Litecoin is coming back out from the zone. Look at the bigger picture. Main W formation right there. See, Litecoin has confirmed level 2. All right. Look, main pattern, rise. Level 1, rise. There you go. Confirm level 1 because she's pulled completely away from it and price is still away from it as well. Okay. So I'm expecting Litecoin again to move to the upside. Look, the golden cross, as they say. The 200-day and the 800 EMA have crossed on the 15-minute time frame, which is the 200-day and the 50-day crossing on the hourly. Let's break it down to the 1 hour time frame. What do you see here? Look. There you go. Look, the cross has happened. The cross has happened. All right. And that's where you're at. You know? Yeah, there's no financial advice here, guys. Ada isn't going anywhere right now, man. It's sitting tight, you know? But let me just work something out here. Work something out. I'm gonna take, that's what I'm trying to do. You just turned 21 watching your stream. Wicked, bro. Nice one, bro. Well done. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. Remember 2 weeks ago, chat had about 400 people and we made a total of 125k together. I was hooked. I'm making 1k a week now. Started seeing consistent returns. No way, man. Yeah, can you remember? 125k, man. I can remember that, man. I can remember that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're now hitting the zone on top. I mean, she's just showing great support. Litecoin is at that zone, you know, at that zone, man. Right. Just trying to understand why Litecoin is doing that right now, and then we consider where Ethereum is at. Ethereum's probably going to be doing the same thing. Okay. Probably going to be doing the same thing. Yeah. Yeah. She's doing it. Yeah. They're moving now. They are moving price. They're moving her right now. I'm seeing the fractional disparity again. They're trying to get out the zone. You know, they've done what they've needed to achieve in this zone. But we'll only know if she holds it. So will it come back and test? I don't know. But we're only going to know if and when she does it. Look at Litecoin, the strength that she's pushing it, man. The strength is unbelievable. Yeah. Always pay yourselves as well, guys. Always get into the habit of paying yourself. You know? Always get into the habit of paying yourself. That's what's important about this strategy. When you're trading on smaller time frames like the 15-minute time frame, be prepared to take 15-minute time frame profits. Don't try and take 4-hour time frame profits on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, that's how you get squashed. That's how you lose. That's how you burn your monies. And that's why you always sat at your desk scratching your head saying, why do I keep losing? What's going on? You know, there has to be a strategy. There has to be a blatant emphasis on where you're going to take your profit based on the time frame you're trading. You know, once again, don't trade the time frame that you're in and have profits of a higher time frame on the basis of it, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, Litecoin is just pumping nice, man. She's just moving nice. All right. I think Litecoin's my favorite coin right now. That I can trade. You know, my favorite coin. So you can see right now we do have a slight small W formation right here. Right. Work the lows, pins to the low, pin to the low. Witness it. Pin to the low, pin, 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 pin. You know, twos, ones, threes. Okay, let's see what they're doing. Do they really want to keep, you know, let price go up? I think Tokyo's just going to run price up, man. I really think that. They need to complete the final cycle to the upside, right? My next target for Litecoin, I've got it down here. It is, where is it? I put it down as 200 today. Where is it? There you go. Target 200, happy days. That's where we're waiting for Litecoin. That's in the longer term though. Longer term. Look at that Litecoin. That big green candlestick, man. Happy days. Happy days. Look at the strength. A new candle has opened. No, it hasn't. 15-minute green candle done. All right, let's start looking at a couple of other coins. Just to get you guys satisfied. Guys, can we get the likes up if you don't mind? I would really appreciate it. You can find the end pattern even in the 1 minute time frame. Yes, that's true. It goes across the whole thing, you know? Right, whilst I'm sorting out these new images for ADA, okay? There we go, Litecoin, and look at that, man. Happy days, you know? Happy days. Usually what's good, guys, is if you can also, there's another strategy as well that you can trade, which is the Asian range setup, okay? The Asian range trade setup, okay? Now, you can either enter when it pins the low and ride to where it hits the high. All right. But it's literally a very tight strategy. There's bags of such strategies that you can come up with this system, man. You know, it's about how you express yourself. You know, it's up to you how you do it. You know, what works for you. That's the important bit. All right. Now, let's witness this boring thing, you know. Yeah, there we go. There. Happy days. All right then. So now we got Ada right here. Okay. I'm gonna pull everything. I ain't gonna look at guys. I'm gonna make sure now. If anyone new comes in here, well, they're obviously not gonna know, but I'm gonna look at Ada once. That is it. There's nothing I can say to you about it. She's stuck in this boring ass zone. Happy days is where I want her to go, but she ain't going nowhere. All right. So let's just leave it be like that. Let's start looking at other coins, guys. All right then. Would you mind looking at dot? Yep, hasn't moved much. Guys, I'm telling you, we are right now, we're just riding out fractional disparity across the board. Okay? They're moving the majors and they're holding the alts. And I do actually believe that they're not going to move any more altcoins or any more cheap altcoins. Okay? Every time you go to make your point, you change the subject. I know that's really bad of me. I know it's really bad of me. Yeah, they could be actually they're moving the majors and they're holding the alts, and the alts that they only move are the expensive ones. So here's an example, right? I'm not going to look yet. I'm going to look at Stella, but she's pretty much doing exactly the same thing as Ada. Let me look at Sushi. Has Sushi moved? Yeah, Sushi moved today, and in last night's video we actually said that Sushi would hit 2021. And she did just that. It's really important you guys go and watch, okay, last night's video, because everything that we called and projected for, all right, actually comes out. You know, it all plays out itself. SNX, what we got here, the dollar. See, SNX, look at that. It's a very, very strong coin. When I say strong, look at how she's respecting the 50-day, man. Look at that. You know, rise, hit, you know, very, very strong pair, man. I really do like SNX, and it's one that I would consider trading as well myself, you know. Atom, I'm hearing a lot of people talking a lot about Atom these days, man. What's she saying? Wow, there you go. What did I say? More, you know, the higher cost coins, like 21 quid, you know, it's expensive for a coin, all right? There we go. We did it last night. Last night's projection, guys. There she is. Last night's projection hit exactly as projected, and I just got rid of it. What a joke. Let's draw it again. It was yesterday's average daily high. There you go. ADR right there. No. Down there. Completely took it out. Happy days. You know? You guys, you saw it from yesterday, or at some point this week. We took it and it traded it. Okay. Next one. Let's have a look. N-Engine, yeah. Have a look at N-Engine. NJ. There you go. Look at that. Nice price. I mean, some news must have come out for them. You know, I'm going to get Luna. I'm going to get Luna up in a sec. Okay. Okay. Right. That right there. Yo, you're going to be hitting it straight with these coins. Just sit tight a sec, guys. Bear with me a second. No, thoughts on Cardano. I mean, she's not moving anywhere, guys. Cardano is not moving absolutely anywhere. It's a shame, but what can I say to you guys? You know, Matic. Okay, let's have a look at Matic. All right. There we go. Stuck in a zone. Very cheap coin. Stuck in a zone. Can't do much with it. VET, that's it. That's it. I'll look VET. It's been mooning all day. What's been going on with VeChain? Wow. Do I make any projections on that? No. VET, VChain will come back and retest. Yeah, they're moving. They're starting to move the heavier alts. They're going to move the heavy alts, but across the board, they're holding the alt market. They're holding it because they want to move Ethereum and Bitcoin first. That's what they want to do. You know? Not yet. Haven't looked at Bitcoin yet. I'll have a look at Bitcoin in a sec. Wow. Basic attention. Oh. We actually took that high. The M5. There we go. Projection complete. I'm back. That was a couple of videos ago. There you go. W formation, rise, retrace up. Took it at them somewhere. Not as such. Not as such. Take a look at GRT, yeah. There we go. Right there, GRT not really doing much for me. There is a W formation at the bottom here, which is rising up. So we could see a move. I mean, look, the pattern that GRT is following right now is pretty consistent, to be fair. Rise, retrace, rise, retrace, rise, retrace. It's going to hit the average daily range high. So I could be expecting, yeah, $2.12. Okay. Now, guys, don't think I'm going to be doing this all the way up here. It could actually hit the M5. I'll draw out the M5. Okay. But there's a lot of volume that will need to come in for that. A lot of volume will need to come into that. You know? Let me have a look here. Link, right? I'll have a look at Link. Okay. Link. Again, every single one of them, guys, is at the 50-day. The concept of buying at the dip is being played out across the altcoins. Altcoins now, the market makers are effectively introducing the retail traders the actual concept of buying the dip. All right? And many dangerous things can happen in these areas. Okay? So, Maker. Okay. Maker up. Maker is not got really any high volume. I mean, traded very lightly. Yeah. Oh, okay. Maker's just come across. Oh, wow. The 50 and the 200 have crossed over on Maker, you know. They've crossed over. Man, that's moving, that is. Look at the W formation on Maker. Do you understand now, guys, the importance of actually, when you're trading the bigger time frames, so not bigger time frames, the more costly coins, you know, they behave perfectly. You know, they actually behave really well. Really good. Okay. Luna. Did look at Luna, didn't I? Yeah. There you go. Back down to the 50-day moving average. Hit the M5, pull back. Happy days. What I'm talking about. Okay. So now Ethereum's pulling back, Litecoin's pulling back, Bitcoin stuck in the zone. They're all waiting for Tokyo. Hold on. High ADR and low ADR of trade. Yeah, okay. Scripts are calculated on behavior of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Each to each. It's based on the average daily range high and the average daily range low. Okay. Factors in the actual range that price will travel. Okay. So if you take the ADR high, you know, it will achieve its ADR when it reaches that high for the day. If it goes to the low, it's reached its ADR low for the day. So if Bitcoin's ADR is 48,319 pips, okay, if it hits the ADR high, it would have achieved somewhat close to 48,319 pips for the day. If it hits the low, it would achieve 48,319 pips for the low, okay? Did I buy at too high? $16.50 $1. I'm in for the long term. How soon till Tokyo? Tokyo is going to be on in the next half an hour. Okay. Okay, they're moving back, pinning back. After this candle here, you should see another candle rise back up into the zone. How soon till Tokyo? What is purple candle? Purple candle is just a sell-off, okay? It's a sell-off that's happening on average volume. It's not a strong red candle like this, okay? However, it could turn into a red candle. Okay. How many hours do you have to sell? Okay, so if your profit doesn't realize a return, if your trade doesn't realize a profit within 2 hours of placing it, get out. However, you don't have to sit for the whole 2 hours to determine whether or not it's going to be profitable, because if it's losing, you're bleeding money. Close the trade, look to get in again. You know, wait for it to play out. Raven coin. Raven coin holding the zone. It's showing respect to that W formation down there. Okay, it's bizarre how badly they're all holding the zones. You know, it is crazy. Can you have a look at IOC? Cheers, happy days. No worries, man. Let's have a look. What was that? T. Then look at. Okay, IOST. Where we at? There we go. Wow, IOST is moving out of the zone. What's going on here? Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, I'm liking that price action. Nice W formation down here. Okay. Notice the W formation down here, guys. Can you see how it's appearing at the lows? Okay. And it's actually taken out the first leg of the W, but it's actually pulled back in line and above the 800 EMA. That's really huge. Okay, you'll see that. You'll see that a lot. Okay. Let's have a look at IOTA. There we go. Is that the same? There you go. They're moving out of the range. Nice, very strong W formation right there on IOTA. Look at that, how small it is. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, rise. Okay, happy days. Big move right there. Yes, Alexander's just, you know, he's a doctor of psychology, you know, but you're only really going to understand the psychology of the market. Sorry, you're only going to understand psychology of yourself if you put yourself in situations where you're challenged. You know, you don't have to be in trading to understand that, you know. But it's so important that you actually understand the psychology of what market makers are trying to make retail traders do. For example, look how it breaks out in this zone. It encourages traders to get in because they want them to think it's going to go to the moon and run up. Okay? But then look what happens. Why is it behind every single run up, price always returns back down? What is that? Because they've been trapping the retail traders into going long. The market makers have been building shorts as they make price go higher. And the market maker wants to realize a return. You know, and then he pulls price back. Do you think these candles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, do you think those candles there, all right, are indecision? A lot of people have this concept that there's indecision in the market when they see pin bars or wicks. No, there isn't. The market maker knows exactly what he's trying to do. This here are people trying to catch this move, thinking it's going to continue further. So they get their orders filled in this area, and then the market maker exploits that and shifts out of the zone. Okay? Hello, Matt. How you doing? Yeah, I'm going to do a bit of Forex. Okay? I'll do a bit of Forex. Guys, can we do the likes? 917 likes. You know, thank you so much. If you can get up to 1,000, I'll be really grateful for that. Randy, how you doing, my friend? Thank you. No worries, Randy, man. God bless you, man. 80 likes to 1,000, guys. It will be the 4th night in a row, I think, that we've hit 1,000 likes. Thank you so much. You know, honestly. Since that pump from 43k, can we see an Elliott wave? Thank you for your insight. No worries, man. I'll have a look at that. I'm just going to cool off my throat. I'm going to cool off my throat so we can continue. Okay. Okay. Right. Got that there. And Hex. Yeah, let's have a look at Hex. Oh, I can't do much with Hex. I'm guessing it's a very low liquid. Oh, God. What is Hex? Can't do much with that, bro. Can't do much with that. North. Sit here with 12k ADA and can do nothing. Literally, that's the sad truth. ADA, guys, is not doing anything. ADA is the reason why everyone else is holding, you know? But I'm telling you, they're holding the alts because they want to move Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's what they want to do. Let me show you. They're holding the zone. Here we go. Look, Bitcoin moving, Litecoin's moving, Ethereum's moving. This is all before Tokyo, you know, all before Tokyo. Get this up again. XRP, God, I've not looked at Ripple for a long time. Okay. How do the market makers handle market orders versus limit orders, high spreads? How do they handle them? Well, they set the high spreads. Okay. So market makers do this with the spread. Okay. Watch this. Let me take this. Look at Bitcoin's spread. Okay. Look how it goes from 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 5,000. Look how it jumps 6,000. Okay. It moves up and down. What they're doing is they're straddling. Okay. They're working orders to the low. All right. They're trying to take orders at the lows, pinning the lows, moving back, pinning the lows, moving back, because there are guys that are trading. They want to go short or they want to go long. Are they going to get Bitcoin cheaper? You know, that's how they do things. Okay. That's how they encourage people to get in. When they straddle, they move the spread. Look at the ask line and the bid right here. You can see they're moving. They spread between each other. They're not moving together. They're, you know, one moves up first, the other moves down. And they're just taking people's orders out. The market maker makes his money in between this. So every time price is opened at one point, he's going to profit from the spread from each person that buys. Okay? So the way he handles the market orders, all right, is he provides the liquidity when the order's put out, because everybody knows that when price is rising, the sellers are in control, because in order for you to have a buyer, you need to have a seller on the other side of the the market, so that the buyer can see and realize his position. Likewise, when price is dropping, the buyers are in control, which the market maker are the buyers, because those who want to sell need to have the contract of buys sold to them. Okay? They always take the opposite side. All right? I hope that explains it for you. So we're still waiting. We're waiting for the yo-yo. We've got nicknames for them. The yo-yo and Hong Kong after 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 965 likes. Thank you very much, guys. 1,000 viewers in the room, man. That nearly 1,100 viewers in the room. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you. I'm not performing at my best tonight, guys. I'll be honest with you. My throat is completely taken out, man. You know, it's completely destroyed, my throat is. But tomorrow we're going to be sorting out a new stream setup, so it's easy on the eyes for you guys. No lags. I mean, I hope tonight's stream has been okay. And who we got in here tonight? Where are we in the world today? I want to know who my viewers are tonight. I know I've got my regular people in here. You know, I want to know who's in the area tonight, guys. Okay, so FLM there. Dot. Nothing much with Dot. Yeah, let's get it to 1,000 likes before Tokyo, guys. That'll be crazy. That will be crazy. London, here we go. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Wicked. I've got love from everywhere, man. New York, North London. Tino, tea time before the great Kong. Yep, I'm gonna get a quick drink as well. Sorry, I keep breaking it up with quick drinks, guys. I just gotta keep my throat, you know, smooth. All right. Marius, man, thank you very much, my friend. God bless you, man. And look, guys, thank you so much for the subscriptions, guys. Honestly, I'm nearly at 10K and I can't believe it. This channel was on 500 subscribers 3 weeks ago, guys. 3 weeks ago, there was 500 subscribers. And, you know, you guys are just moving this YouTube account. And it's just crazy. I'm honestly humbled by all of it, man. I hope that what I'm doing is serving all of you. I really do hope it's serving all of you, man. But it's been a grind. You know, the hustle is real, man. You know, the hustle is real. Every day, 15, 16 hours streaming, man. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. But I love this game. I will stream it every single day. Sushi, man. Sushi has been performing really well. Sushi has been performing really well. I like sushi. I don't eat it, but I like it. You know, here we go. We got a W formation that could be appearing. You know, W formation on sushi. Let's see. Let's see if she plays out. Pay attention to Ethereum, and yeah, they're holding it, man. They're holding this zone. Yeah, we're going to do a members stream only. I'm going to be doing members streams only once we get the new setup tomorrow. I'm spitting facts and you're surprised your channel is growing. Yo, you know what though? There are so many other channels out there that spit facts and they don't get the credit. It seems to me that the channels that don't spit facts, because people like to, you know, they just like to get told a good story, bro. You know, they like to get told a good story and they're happy with that. So that's where people go, you know. But, you know, I hope it's serving people, man. I hope it's serving people, you know. And it's a hard graft. It is a hard graft. You know, if we can get to 10K before the end of the week, that'll be crazy. You know, tell a friend, you know, exactly as predicted. We don't do predictions, bro. We do projections. What's that M indicator want to drop in trading? No worries, guys. Yeah. Members only streams are going to be happening very soon. And we're just going to be, that'll be more of an intimate setup as well, because we'll be able to cover a few things. I'm going to be looking at a couple of Forex setups as well. Guys, be careful, okay? Yeah, I'm going to get this drink. I hope I'm helping enough people, though. You know, I'm going to get this drink just in time for Hong Kong. I mean, sorry, Tokyo. You know? Let me just get this sorted out for Tokyo. All right, and I'll be back with you in 10 seconds. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Tea break as always. right, what's good, guys? Okay. Yo, guys, look, thank you so much for becoming members. Honestly, you know, the likes, you guys are killing it. You're killing it so well. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is, yep. I'm looking at the comments that you guys are doing, man, and it's crazy. You know, I'm gonna be, yeah, we got you all covered, man. We're gonna try and help as many people as possible understand this approach. Okay, you know, because the basis of, yes, I've seen Money Heist. Yes, you imagine me to be the professor, yeah, and Chuck is like Tokyo. Yeah. Yeah, Chuck is Tokyo, definitely. Yeah, Chuck is definitely Tokyo. I feel like keep getting trapped into patterns at the 15 and missing the bigger picture. Yeah, look, what you've got to understand. Hold on, let me just sort this out. Why is that happening there? Let me just quickly finalize a little bit of Forex from our Forex guys. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh God, did anybody take the Euro Aussie trade from last night? Did anybody take the Euro Aussie trade from last night? You know, I hope someone took Euro Aussie last night. Last night's stream, we spoke about near enough the 15.55. Yeah, getting taken out. The 15.50 getting taken out. Yes, we did. We said the 15.50 was going to get to, yeah, the 1.55 area was getting taken out today. And it did. It did just that. Okay. What else did we look for? We looked for GBP USD. What did GBP? Yeah, there you go. Said she was going to come back down. Yeah, she hit that high. No, we didn't speak about GBP USD. Euro USD. There you go, guys. Euro USD target was hit. Euro USD's target was hit from last night's stream. Go check it out. Euro USD's target was hit. Okay. Great question, legit. Great question. Okay, then. So what would I do at certain levels? I mean, look, there's all I can do. Okay. All you can do, guys, is when you realize a return, you close it. You know, there's no big science behind closing a trade. The idea is to place a trade. If you realize a return within 2 hours, keep it open and then pay yourself, because there's no guarantee that the move's going to continue all the time. Okay. So let me just bring up, these charts again. Okay, so where are we at? There you go, Ethereum right there. They're holding the zones, guys. I'm just waiting for Tokyo to open, I'm going to save it until she opens up. Guys, I'm so grateful that you're all becoming members, man. Thank you so much. You know, we'll be doing members only stream very soon. Okay, I'm going to be also categorizing those who want Forex as well amongst the members. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to notify the members who in the stream want to talk about Forex, and they will get a private video and I'll go through that with yourselves. It'll be a nice place for you guys to be. All right. So we can talk about how to really exploit this, because remember, guys, this strategy is only from Forex. Okay. Forex is where I've come from. 10 years in the game, 11 years soon trading Forex. Okay. And the concepts of the market maker's behavior sit very true here. Okay. So ultimately, you know, I'm new to cryptocurrency. Now, this is for anybody new as well. I'm new to cryptocurrency. I trade Forex. That's all I do. All right. If you go back in the streams and I bring up some Forex trades, you'll see it for yourselves. You know, pretty much consistent with my calls on Forex. All right. And I've been consistent with crypto, with the crypto game as well. Look at last night, the move that was happening last night. But tonight is going to be very interesting, especially in Hong Kong. We're going to see if Tokyo is going to hit the 200-day or the 800, move away from price. Okay, we're going to see if that happens. And in relation to your question, legit, okay, you've got to understand when you're trading this cycle here, right? This is what has to happen. This cycle is not static. At any point, they can make rise level 1. A level is realized when price moves away from the peak formation, which is this W, all right? It moves away from it, And when it pulls back, it's usually pulling back at a moving average. That's where the key thing is, guys. I go on about it so much. Make your lives easier, okay? You realize now the pattern. And I think you guys, okay, what would be a good leverage and lot size setting to start trading a small account? Right, Mardo, listen. If you go into my playlists, okay, you'll see a video, right, called How to Grow a Small Forex Account. And at the side, it says, don't make this mistake, all right? I put £125 into a trading account, all right, Forex, and I documented the whole thing, all right? And I realized a 700% return. So I turned 125 quid into £1,026, and that was done across 106 trades, okay? Now, it's not like these BS ones where they put £100 in and they catch liquid volatility and they send their account from £100 all the way up to 1,000. No bullshit, right? I'm demonstrating that with a small account, you can hit consistent gains every single day. I think it was done over a period of 5 days, 4 or 5 days, 106 trades. I'm getting in and I'm getting out. And I document the whole thing and explain to you guys with real life examples of how to understand the importance of just focusing exclusively on the execution. Forget the money, okay? It doesn't matter how much money you have. You're looking for the percentage gains. You're looking for the right trades. Get in, get out. If they're wrong, so what? Move on to the next trade. You have to be impulsive, guys. And this is the mistake that a lot of people make. They seem to think that if you're a consistently profitable trader, that implies that you are consistently profitable. So that means there's no room for you to lose. No, guys, that's not how it works. Over a sample size of 106 trades, I was what, 60 to 75% correct? Okay. You know, I was losing about 30% of the time on that challenge, you know, because when you're building a small account, you know, every percentage increase, you know, in the first instance, I was earning like, you know, £2-3 per trade, you know, and then as I started growing the account, I was making it £10-20 and then £50-60, £70-80, all the way up to the 1,026 mark. And then I stopped, right? Documented the whole thing. So I advise you go and watch that, man. Go and watch it, because that's going to answer the question on good leverage and lot size. Don't think that the more money you have is going to guarantee or improve the chances of you succeeding. Nah, it increases the odds of you losing it. Why? Because you think, oh, I've got a lot of money, man. I'm going to take this lick. I'm going to take this hit. I'm going to trade it. I don't care. I'm going in deep, you know? Or you are literally writing yourself a guaranteed check to loss, you know? So it's actually now starting to do exactly what we needed to do. Tokyo coming into play. 1 minute until Tokyo. Just pay attention to price, guys. Pay attention to see what exactly she's going to do at the open. It seems like they're going to get busy. It seems like they're going to get busy. Are they going to form the base? Are they going to test the 200 and the 800 day on the 15-minute time frame? Bitcoin looks like she's pulling back. I'm not really interested in Litecoin right now, but she's obviously moving. But we're going to see what happens. Here we go. They're forming the low. The pivot point is going to be taken out right here. We've got the M3 being tested. It's really important you pay attention to this, guys, because when you guys are trading by yourselves, okay, you're going to probably start panicking in this zone. You're going to be thinking, oh my God, do I need to get in? Do I need to get in? You need to sit tight. Wait to see what happens, okay? Wait and see. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Tokyo's open. Let's move. Let's move. The Kong is lurking in the back. Yeah. I think you talk a bit about looking at the bigger picture. You feel like it. Okay, cool. All right. The bigger picture of these cycles, right? I always look at the 1 hour time frame to determine the bigger cycle, right? I know that on the 15-minute time frame, all right? Okay, shouldn't this become a red candle? Depends on if it is. You know what you think, 2,000? Maybe. Let's see what it does here. Guys, I can't tell you if it's going to reach 2,000 from this point. It needs to show me commitment that it wants to keep price higher. Remember, market makers are going, they're going short because they want guys to get in so that they can use their orders to build their longs at lower prices. Okay? If it painted a red on everything but the 12-hour. Okay, here we go. There's your red candle. Bitcoin red, Ethereum red, Litecoin should be turning red. The next candle, okay, obviously this is a new hour, okay? The next candle will be very interesting, okay? The next 15 minutes will be interesting. Okay, yeah, the next candle will be very interesting. So effectively what's going to happen is we need price right now to hit the 200-day, which is the 50-day on the 1 hour time frame. Bitcoin is going to probably, there you go. Bitcoin has got a far distance to travel on the for the 50-day on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's see what Ethereum does. There's a lot of pressure here, guys. There is a lot of pressure by the market makers. They are definitely pumping to go short. They've achieved, price has gone to where we need it to go. Okay, price has gone where we need it to go. Right now, we should see a pullback. What they're doing is they're triggering shorts by tapping the 200-day on the 15-minute and the 50-day on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, they're triggering the shorts. They're obtaining the liquidity with the intention to snap price back up. Let's look at the RSI. Okay, there you go. Look, divergence at the lows on the 15-minute time frame. Divergence outside the volatility band, back inside the volatility band. W formation at the RSI. The lows are closing on an average of a higher rate. They're closing higher as they're going lower, okay? It's really important you understand that. The RSI right now needs to turn, close above the market, the red signal line, continue to the market baseline, which is this yellow mark here, and aim to hit the blue volatility band for a move to the upside. Look, Bitcoin and Ethereum are rejecting the zone. Why aren't they breaking down lower? Because the market makers are trying to trap traders and get them committed. Granted, they may actually push price a little bit more lower, just going below the 200-day to keep them convicted that they're going to keep price low, so that the guys who are going short can get excited and start adding more positions. But the next 15-minute candle is going to probably wash them out, you know? Sorry, bullish divergence, man. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, man. Bullish divergence. Really sorry about that, dude. Sorry, man. I've been saying that all bloody week, you know? Here we go. Is the M3 pivot going to be an actual support in line with the 200-day? Do you see what I mean about the confluence of things, guys? I've not actually talked anything else other than the psychology of what's going on with price at that point in time, you know? And this is what you guys need to understand. This is the basis of it, you know? There you go. Before even Chuck said it, you know, Chuck G closed talking about a retrace back up. You know, I'm saying it. Chuck's confirming it, you know? Batman and Robin, bro. Guys, listen, give mad credit to Chuck G, man. He holds it down in the morning streams, man. He's battering his keyboard, replying to people, telling, you know, he's holding it down, man. Chuck G, I owe you, man. We need to get blackjack up, man. We need to play it over blackjack, you know? Play it over blackjack. Moonboy has predicted. Nah, man, there's no predictions. It's all about projections. Ideally, we do want to see a big green candle right here. But the thing is, guys, look at the pressure that the market makers are pushing it down to. All right? They're pushing price down, all right? But they're not breaking it, man. They're just luring the retail traders in, man. That's what they're doing. Luring the retail traders in. Okay. Right, where are we at with the likes? 1,182 of you in the room, guys. 1,059 likes. Can we get the likes up? That'll be awesome. Yeah, man. Chuck G. He is, man. I always have to take a shit during this stream. Here we go. Next 15. Oh, what is this? Yo, hold on a second. What's going on here? Is there a time delay? Guys, what time is it? Huh? Hold on, guys. Okay. Right. Look, let's pay attention right now. Look, something weird is happening, man. Something very weird is happening. Something weird is happening. How is that possible? Huh? Oh, no way. They've adjusted the times. Oh my God, they've adjusted the times. Can you believe that? Look, at the bottom of my chart, it says at 10 to 2, okay? And then they bring it again at 5 minutes past 2. That is crazy, man. Wow. As if they're adjusting the time. It's because they're dropping. They're gonna drop. They're gonna drop Ethereum. Let me move it back. Let me move back. Oh man, if this candle continues to the downside purely on the basis of that adjustment, oh my God, what are they? I can't believe what I've just witnessed. Man, these brokers are dodgy. Wow. That is nuts. This is why, guys, you always have to, get in, get out, take your monies and go. There you go, guys. As we said earlier on, as projected, they will need to return back to this green candle here, okay? But what we need it to do is we need it to bounce away from that point. Why? Because there's stopping volume right there. There is stopping volume in the zone, all right? We need to see, because they've now broken the 800 EMA, which is the 200-day EMA on the hourly, and the 200-day is the 50-day. So there's a big move, guys. They could see the pivot. They could see the pivot. There's clean manipulation. Look at the spread, guys. Look at the spread. There's clean manipulation. Let me get Bitcoin up. We could see pins to the low, guys. We could see spike candles here. Be careful. Be careful. Bitcoin. There you go. I think when Bitcoin hits the 200-day, that's when it will all stop. I think. We're at 50K now. Still at the round number. Okay. Ethereum. We need Ethereum to effectively... We could be right now forming a W formation right here. This could be a big W formation because of where price is with the moving averages. Okay. We're only going to know in the next few moments. It needs to do that because this red candle here, not closing at its lows, okay? They're just trying to lure more retail traders to go short before they decide to smack price back up into the range, okay? But until that happens, we can only go by that projection when everything starts to come into play. Right now, we sit on the sidelines and we wait. We have to wait. And then you've got Hong Kong. This is the thing, We've got Hong Kong coming up. Hong Kong's going to change things about, I'm telling you now. There's a reason why they're pretty quiet. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. No, it's Thursday, isn't it? Are we on Thursday today? Yes, Thursday. Remember that we're hitting Thursday. Friday is the profit day. So there may be another attempt to the high, okay? And then pull back down and effectively move price to the zone that they want to set up for the following week because they may have intentions at sending price higher. Here we go. Look at the pins. Working the pins, guys. Working the pins. Man, my throat is absolutely ripped. I've got sandpaper in my mouth, man. Jesus. My God. That was crazy what they've done. Unbelievable. Do you see? And guys, I don't know if it's possible, but can you tell me if on Binance and BitBuy, you can see the spread? Can you tell me if that's possible? Can you see the spread on that? It'd be really interesting if you can. Yeah, vaping, Yeah, hopefully we can get 1,000. I mean, 1,243 people in the room. God bless you guys. Thank you so much. And I know a lot of people are coming in now trying to understand why are Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping. Guys, market makers have interests at sending price higher. So what are they doing? They're sending prices lower so they can buy at a cheaper price. They will pride themselves on the fear of the retail trader getting scared. Oh no, what's Bitcoin going to do? Oh, we're going down 50K. Oh my God, we're going to go back down to 41. Nah, man. Market makers have an interest in sending price higher, so they need to send it lower. That's the name of the game, guys. Do you understand? You know, you can't see a spread, but you can see a major increase in activity. Yeah, they're playing you guys outright, man. That's what they're doing. They're playing you outright, man. Right now, Ethereum is holding the range now. She's holding the zone. Are we effectively at the low of the Asian session? You know, are we at the low? Have the market makers induced enough retail traders to go short, all right, so that they can use their liquidity to move price back up and start closing out the longs and making a run to the markup phase? You know, this is what we're waiting for. Bitcoin is looking like she's pulling away, okay? That will be ideal. Ethereum's doing the same. Let me pull up Litecoin. What's Litecoin doing? Let me move this out here. Litecoin, where you at? Where you at? Yeah, there you go. Litecoin, 3 pins to the low. Are we going to see 3 pins to the low, guys? And if we do, yeah, that'll be awesome, because you guys will then see the concept of the pins playing out. Okay, so we got 1, 2. We got 1, 2. You could count that one, but it's not too close to the low. But we got 2 pins to the low. There you go. There you go. Are we going to work back this red candlestick? Are we going to work back this red candlestick? We're only going to know when we see it happen, guys. And that's the thing about projection, okay? You're not painting a picture in your mind. Well, you are, okay? But it's only reliant on what price is doing now. Because if I have the vision in my mind that I want to see price to go up, retrace continuation, all right? If it just continues to go down, I'm content with just getting rid of this pattern. I don't care. But if I've got a prediction, I'm saying, oh man, I really want it to go here. I predict it's going to go there. I'm going to stay loyal to that prediction, because I don't base my prediction on anything other than just the prediction. So to keep me comfortable and keep me, you know, because I'm such an egotistical trader, I'm going to look at that and be like, you know what, I don't care. I'm going to stick to my prediction and just wait for it to happen and not give a shit about what happens when it's going down here. The difference with a projection is this. Projection gives you the flexibility to change your mind. That's the difference with it. You know, that is the difference with the projection. Gives you the ability to change your mind. Fetch AI, where's she at? My favorite coin. Sushi, she's forming the W formation on Sushi. Price projection on Sushi is the M4 in the first instance. $21 for Sushi, and then 23 for Sushi there. Why? Because she's at the 200-day moving average and the 50-day, forming a W formation. 3 pins to the low. Let's see her move. Let me see Fetch. Let me see what she's doing. Wow, my voice is completely ripped. Oh my God, Fetch. Anybody that knows me in this stream, I have been talking about Fetch from day, okay? They know I've been talking about Fetch. Look at how beautiful she's behaving, man. Look at that. That is nuts, man. She's going to hit Fetch projection 40, man. She's going to hit 40. Fetch is going to hit 40. And if anybody doesn't know what Fetch is, guys, I think because you can stake Fetch now, I don't know if that might be the case, it's moving. Okay, but man, it is crazy. Ada's dropping. Where's Ada? Ada. Come on. Ada ain't dropping, man. She's just staying where she is, man. She's not gone to an area that we haven't seen her go before. It's not that much of a drop. She's probably going to do another W. Look, how many W's has she done this week? W. In my mind, it's accumulation. They're going to send Ada to the moon, man. Oh, God, did I just say that? Moon? Nah, man. My projection for Ada is the 140 mark in the near term, okay? What's going on here? Euro USD, lowest shark, freeing, okay. Still holding the zone. They're still holding the zone. 1,251 of you in the room. If you're new to the channel, guys, I would really appreciate if you do subscribe and like the stream. That's the requirement of this channel. That's the payment. Collectively, the guys in this channel have earned themselves nearly $300,000 by just simply understanding the concept that I'm talking about in this stream. If you need proof, go to the Discord, which is attached to the top of this chat right now. Go join the Discord. If you're from the US or you're from Canada, unfortunately, you can't have the indicators that are provided here, okay? But if you aren't from those countries, you can go and download all the stuff that I've got in front of me. Go into the link in the description, open an account with IC Markets, download MT4, or go somewhere that has MT4, and then go to the Discord and download the indicators. It's all free of charge, guys. My motivation is to help you guys understand the markets, because everyone's been taking the piss out of everyone for too long, man. You know, it's about time people start paying forward. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look, retrace. Here she goes. Look, now you're going to see market makers move price. This is it. They've trapped the retail traders short, triggered all the limit orders at the lows of the 200-day, right? Remember, the 200-day is the 50-day on the 1 hour time frame, okay? And then look what she's going to, look how aggressive she's coming back. Look at how aggressive. When price comes back so aggressively, okay, you're seeing market maker behavior, guys. You know, they're getting out of the zone because there's still retail traders in this zone thinking that it's going to continue to the downside. So they're using their liquidity to move price out of the zone and start a move to the upside. Here we go. Drop, rise, retrace, up we go. Okay, that's what we're waiting for from Ethereum right now. Is this the formation that is going to appear at the moving averages, which is the criteria of a W formation? It can either happen below a moving average or slightly away from the moving average. Right now, it's happening at the moving average. So there's a lot of confluence here, guys. All right, there's a lot of confluence here. All right, guys, just understand, right? I'm not talking about anything technical here. I'm talking psychology of price. All right. And trading is 90% psychological, not the psychological that you think, where it's don't be emotional, you know, don't think of negative thoughts, don't be fearful, don't be greedy. The psychology of trading is understanding the psychology of the irrational trader in front of you. All right. That's the psychology. You're witnessing the market maker take the mick out of every single retail trader that comes into this game. 95% of traders lose in this game because 95% of them are getting played. All right. When you understand the concept behind these patterns and understand the market maker, you've got his business model down to a T. This is his business model. He buys when price is dropping. He sells when price is rising. All right. That's the name of the game. There's no such thing as, you know, the basic of economical theories in here where when price hits the high here, it means there's too much supply and no one's interested in sending price higher. Are you mad? Of course they're interested in sending price higher. Why? Because this is a moon boy candle. You know, it's a climatic candle. It's everyone getting excited. Do you think when someone buys into this sort of candlestick, do you honestly think, right, that people are going to stop wanting to buy because they think there's supply in this area? You know? Do you think that? And this is correct. This is the set, do not sell. This, I mean, the guy's saying it, do not sell, but you know, that's financial advice and what have you. But right now they are manipulating the market, triggering guys to go short so they can use their liquidity to open their longs. Okay. Litecoin blue candle incoming. Where we at? Where are we at? Here we go. Green candle. Wow. Look at that. Railroad tracks, guys. 2 pins to the low, directly at the Asian low. Guys, we formed the low of the day. We have formed the low of the day in the Asian session. What are you saying? Witness it. Like we did last night. He's doing exactly the same thing again, guys. Man, I need to calm my throat down. It's completely annihilated. Okay, it is completely done. My throat's over. I'll look at the EGLD candle shortly. Guys, thank you so much for becoming members. Anyone that's subscribed, I'm close to the 9K subscription mark. I'm aiming to hit 10K by the end of this week. Okay, I'm going to be doing a few members only streams as well, just to talk about Forex and talk about any other concepts in this strategy itself. I just want to be able to bring value to everyone, man. If everyone can take this information and go and feed themselves and eat with it, happy days, man. Happy days. Cracker Magnum. I know you guys have been so kind enough to send me recipes on how to sort my voice out. But the truth of the matter is, okay, the longer I keep talking, the worse it's going to get. The thing is, I talk so much throughout the day, man. That's the thing. I meant to do the live streams in the morning and you know, play that music to you guys that is clearly pissing you all off because it's on loop. The great thing is I can't hear it, so I don't know what's playing. But tomorrow we've got a new stream set up. You know, we've gone and invested all the donations that have been coming into this channel. I've gone and invested in a computer that has a silly graphics card, man, a 3070 and Nvidia. I can't even say him. I don't even know. I just know it's a really good laptop with a really good graphics card to bring you guys 1080p quality, you know, no lag, just smooth transitions throughout the whole thing. All right. So that we can pay exclusive attention to price, you know, with no interruptions, no lag, no BS. And that's where we're going with it, man. What does go short mean? You say it a lot. Short mean it's shirt. No, short, not shirt. Short means when price is to go down, you know, for price to go down. Oh my days, this is gone. And we ain't even got Hong Kong yet. We ain't even got Hong Kong, you know? Look, the only reason why I got that, right, was because of that guy last night, right? He was trying to call me out with the tin foil, right? And he then had nothing else to say. And then he started to cuss about the stream being in 720 and not 1080p. I thought, forget that, man. I'm not having it. You know, I'm not having that, man. I'm investing back into the stream, guys. Just to be absolutely clear, this is a new level 1 for the day. Wait until it is broken, right? Look at the bigger cycle. The bigger cycle is here. This is the peak formation. We are 2 days away from the peak formation, all right? If price comes down here, if price comes down here, we violate level 1. If it comes down here, we pretty much violate the whole pattern, okay? Look where it is. It's only pulling back ever so slightly. Are we witnessing rise, retrace, continuation, okay? Are we witnessing the bigger picture? Rise, retrace, continuation, yeah? Do you understand? Is that the bigger plan? Is that the bigger, here we go, the bigger rise to the upside? Do you understand? The bigger cycle, there's a cycle within a cycle within a cycle. You know, and this is where you try and get caught out. So many guys come to me and say, come on, Tino, let's look at it logically. If everybody started adapting this kind of methodology, surely the market makers are going to change it. And I put it to you straight. Not everyone trades the same time frame. Not everyone has the same concept of value. Not everyone uses the same amount of money. Not everyone uses the same M or W. Not everyone puts or draws an M or a W at the same point, you know? That's why they will always keep the pattern the same. They will never change it because it works, because they move price in certain areas. They manipulate the market as much as they want, okay? You go to Forex, it's literally black and white. They will just do the pattern perfectly for you, you know? Can we get a tinfoil hat emote? Yep, I'll get that sorted for you, man. I will get it cleared up for you, man. Oh, man. And we ain't even got Hong Kong, man. Once Hong Kong hits, guys, I'm going to leave it for about 10, 15 minutes, and then I'll end the stream. I need to rest this throat of mine because we got the weekend coming up. And, you know, it's Tino Inception. A tattoo with a tattoo with a tattoo. The projection. Tinfoil hat, meet Forex arm. Wow. Everyone's going to be ripping it now. Everyone's going to be ripping it. Mike Dutch, what's good? Yeah, mad props to Mike Dutch, guys. He's been sorting out the stream. A tattoo within a tattoo within a tattoo. Okay. Right, let's move this forward a little bit. Okay. There you go. Right, okay then. What are we witnessing? I'm just reading the comments by you guys. Magic Mike to take over the rest of your voice. So you rest your voice. Yeah, you should do that. Tino's projection coin. Wow. I'm working on Wirecast at the moment, anticipating the new PC. Wicked. Hold on. This is a projection or prediction. Nah, projection, man. Projection. We only do it. Yes, the session times are key to survival. They are. Understanding what they do is critical. Let's have a look at Reef. Let's see what else the coins are doing across the board. Guaranteed. Here we go. What's Ada doing? Doing nothing, man. She ain't done nothing for so long. It's disgusting. Let's have a look at Reef. Oh, man. C Ham. Right. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah, guy, bro, listen. Thank you so much, bro. You've got to understand the principle doesn't change. Why? Because we don't change, guys. Whenever we see price rising, we get excited. Whenever there's a hype coin, everyone gets excited. Who's buying? The dumb money. Who's selling? The smart money. That's it. That's all you need to understand. That is all you need to stand. What's flying, man? XLM's flying. Come on, man. You know. Here we go, XLM. Oh, God, XLM isn't flying. Look at AR. It's flying. What's AR? ARC. Is that what you're talking about? It best be. Ah, it's not flying, dude. Yeah, manipulated. What else did I just see? I just saw someone. Dot. Here we go. Where's Dot at? Boom. Oh, wow. Dot. What is Dot doing? What is she doing, man? What's she doing? Bang. She's confirming the 50-day. Happy days. Price projection for Dot would be, if I were to trade it, I'd probably be looking at the 41 maybe by tomorrow, working in towards the US session. Okay. But that's not financial advice. That's me just telling you my projection based on how well I draw these images. So 1, 2, 3 to the upside. You know, you're waiting for effectively the pattern to play out. Everybody knows the pattern, you know, no financial advice. It's just a pattern. Okay. It's just a pattern. Get your charts up. It's a pattern. Are we with AR? Okay. LGLD is not flying, but it's moving around nicely. LGLD, where we at? Oh my God, I can't believe it. Wow. Hey, my man, can you take a look at ZKS on the hourly for me before you go? Yeah, I'll do that for you right now. Let's do that. Oh, shit. Excuse me. Here you go, AGLD. Right, look at this, guys. Look at this. She's forming right now, okay, a W pattern that is confirming really nicely to the upside. Price projection would be the day high, which is 150, guys. That's what I'm thinking. You know, could anyone agree, disagree with me? Let me know. ZKX, ZKS, where we at? Oh, God, there's not much liquidity with this, bro. I'm not seeing it across the board. Can only go against Tether. Ah, man, there's not much happening unless I'm not looking at the right coin. Wait, ZKS. Yeah, ZKS. On the hourly, not doing much, bro. I mean, depending on what brokerage I'm looking at it from. Yeah, there's not much happening, bro. Not much happening. Can't help you there, bro. And thank you for joining as well, man. You didn't have to do that, bro. Didn't have to do that. Link Ocean. Here we go. Link Ocean. Let's have a look at Harmony. Because I do hold a bit of Harmony. Nice. They're all confirming the 50-day, guys. The altcoins are confirming the 50-day. And what's going to happen is they're going to confirm it, move up, and then come back and trail against it. Because I think ADA's going to lead all the alts. Here we go. Red candle recovered. Manipulation played out. 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. What do we call it? Happy days. That's what we call it. Oh, man, I keep using it. I'm ripping that to bits, that, man. Here we go. We're starting. Are we actually effectively working on a W formation to the upside? Wait for it to hit the 50-day, pull back, or we wait for her to break away from the 50-day, pull back to form the second part, well, the middle part of the W, form the second leg of the W, rise to the upside, okay? And you witness here the pattern is playing out in the W formation, all right? I looked at Phantom earlier on. Bitcoin doing exactly the same, recovering the red candle. Litecoin is going to be doing exactly the same. There you go, recovering it. She didn't actually conduct a red candle, guys, you know, which is huge conviction for me right there. My price projection is still 200. It is still 200 with Litecoin. I am expecting yet the M4 and then the $200 mark. That's my projection. Hold on, let me get it for you. There you go. Let's get that over here. Keep things consistent. 200. Let me get the lines drawn out for you. Bang. 200 on the nose right there. Let's see how she plays out. That's my projection. Remember, projection, not prediction, guys. We're not interested in predictions. All right. Happy days. Let me draw out the W formation. Rise. Up we go. And then effectively waiting for a retrace. That's what we're waiting for. Back down. Back up. There we go. M4 target on Ethereum by the end of play tomorrow. That's what I'm expecting her to do. And pay attention to these red candles here. Price should return back to this zone here if she's in line with the cycle, unless she's not finished forming this behavior. Okay. What have we got here? Projection for Ethereum. Yeah, I've done that. You just draw lines that just happen to always play out. Yeah, I know. It's weird, isn't it? It is really weird. Can we check Argo? Because it seems like a good potential. All right, and let me get Ocean up, man. Oh, my bro. Let's get Ocean. There you go. Pinning the 50-day. Happy days. What have we got? What have we got? We got a pattern? I think we do. Rise. Retrace. Continuation to the upside. M5 is the target projection from that move right there. You know, the M5 is a valid place for it to go. 1.36 for Ocean. Guys, remember the stream if it happens. Holo, man. They made some good news today, I heard. Let's have a look. Oh, God. Yeah, you know what? Can't really do anything with that. Look at it. It's just all over the place. Can't do nothing with it. Chills. I like Chills. I do like Chills. Where's she at? Oh, my days, man. I was holding this. I was holding this coin. Oh, man. I was holding this coin. I got rid of it, man. Shit. Average daily high. About to get hit. She'll take that out easy. Is Bitcoin behaving? I'll tell you she's behaving. Hold on. Let's have a look. Happy days. How many people we got in the room, guys? 1,288 of you. 1,195 likes. Happy days, guys. If we can get the likes to equal the amount of viewers, that'll be happy days. I want to thank everyone who's been in this live, okay? If you're new to the channel, would love to see you again, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe. I hate saying that, to be honest with you. It sounds like I'm begging. But nah, man, it's you're supporting a good cause here, guys. You really are, you know? All right, and where we at? There you go. Bitcoin's behaving, guys. Look, it's controlled drops as well. That's the thing. It's controlled drops. There you go. Look at Bitcoin moving, man. Ow. She's going to recover this red candle like they always do. If they're finished with this move. See, look what happened here, all right? Bitcoin started returning back to the red candle, recovered pretty much all of the red candle right there, and then continued back down again. So they had intentions of sending price lower, but look where they're sending it to. They're hitting it to near towards the 200-day moving average, all right? So they may not want to let price go any further down, but if you do look to the left, what do you see? Who sees it on the left? What do you see on the left, guys? I want to see your interaction. I want to know if you're understanding this game. What do you see to the left that justifies this move to the downside? Tell me what it is while I hit my inhaler. No, no. The big fat green candle. And what do we know about the green candle? Marius, man, you've been too kind, bro. Too kind, bro. Too kind. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Green candle. Beast motivation. What's good, bro, man? You always stay quiet. Good to see you, man. Green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle. Okay. What do we understand about the green candle, though? Don't make the mistake of thinking it's just a green candle. What do we understand about it? I need you to understand it, because if you don't, then there's no point. Tell me, what do we understand about the green candle? No, 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 no. Boom, he said it. Zaxi. They got shorts at the green candle and they realized, there you go, it's starting to come out. All the guys who know, they got shorts at that green candle. They got the shorts at the green candle and they've realized the return for them. Watch. Here we go. They've realized the return for them. What do they need to do next? They need to start building the longs with the liquidity from the shorts that they've trapped here. Let me say that again. They build shorts at higher prices with the intention of closing them later on at a lower point. They then send price to that zone by inducing traders to go short so that they can use the liquidity from the shorts earlier on to realize a return on that position, use the retail traders shorts to open longs at the lows, okay? Pin down price to this area here, move man, pin down price to that area there, and then snap price back to the upside. That's market maker behavior 101, not a single word about any indicators, nothing. It's understanding the psychology of price. You understand that, you've won the game, all right? You have won the game. You can never open a trade and feel insecure about it, okay? Granted, you may lose, so what? Move to the next trade, you know? If you're going to have if you understand the psychology, you're improving your edge by at least 75 to 80%, even 90s, man. People are saying to me they placed 10 trades today and they won all 10, you know? And that's individual trades, not 10 at one go. You know what I mean? Man, it's you just need to get it, guys. You need to understand this is how they operate. Ethereum return. Look, she's returned back to the red candle. Completely recovered the red candle. There you go. Now we need to see her retrace the 50-day EMA. Please check ban. I completely missed that when I was looking. Never made that mistake again. Guys, remember, Marius, thank you so much, my friend. Eddie, bro, what are you saying? Thank you so much, man. No worries, guys. Where's the best place to trade if you're in the US? I'm actually in the process of sorting that out for you guys. There's a broker that is a fair broker, you know, a fair broker that will, you know, not take the mick with withdrawals or deposits. You know, I'm just trying to get that all sorted out so you guys can get the MT4 platform. You know, did you write the book or did I write a book? Did I write the book? What book, bro? How did the MM know their short plan will work out for them over such a long timeline? Fantastic question. I'll tell you why. Okay? The market maker has a target for price to get to a certain area. The market maker can be as irrational as he wants to be. Remember, he's operating in two types of money: smart money, dumb money. Market maker can be smart and he can also be dumb. He can be irrational and he can be rational. Remember, his pockets are deep, but he always has to return back to the zone and he has to realize a profit. There you go. Fabian lost 3 trades out of 25 trades so far. Why is it wrong for me to say you can have at least a 90%, 85 to 90% success rate with this system? Where's my tinfoil guy? Where's he at? Now, I didn't write the Bible, bro, man. That's some blasphemy right there. You know? Working, fell in love with Chainlink. My new hodl besides my XLM. See you guys in an hour. My plumbing company keeps me so busy. Jaded, bro, man. That's sick. That is sick, man. You know, we still be here. 20 minutes till the Kong. Guys, you got to be careful. 20 minutes to the Kong. Just make a quick 420 boys signs to get high. Wow. I'm the dad. Here we go. I'm the dad. Oh, my God. I ain't the dad, man. Quit with that dad stuff, man. What's wrong with you? All right, I do have an obligation to you guys. I'm going to hook you up. I'm hooking you up with getting you to understand the way this shit works. Okay? But call me dad? Oh, come on, man. What am I going to say to you? Like, kids? Come on. What about the green candle of the one you spoke of below before? No love for banned. Sorry, bro, man. Let me get this stuff up, man. Sorry. My apologies. My apologies to get banned up for you guys. Okay. Let me have a look right here. Banned. Here we go. Here we go. Banned. at the 50-day. Guys, this is what I'm trying to establish across the board. The fractional disparity of the moving the majors, right? And holding the alts. It literally is Ethereum and the alts versus Bitcoin. Because right now, every time Bitcoin moves, Ethereum moves. If Bitcoin holds, Ethereum holds. Thank you very much, DTB. All right? Yes, I am. I am the Constantine. I am the Constantine. Yeah, he is. He probably is. Can I send some vape cartridges to your doorstep? Harry, man. Harry Bumch, bro, man. Change your name, man. Please. Change your name. I'm saying your name in front of nearly 1,300 people. Harry Bumchin. What's that, man? You know? Here you go. Ethereum looking to take out the 50-day moving average on the 15-minute time frame, which is the 13 EMA on the 1 hour. Important, because now price is above the 50-day. Now we may get the cross. We may get the cross and price to move to the upside. Am I expecting the blue zone? Correct. I am expecting the blue zone. Am I expecting M4? Yes. Am I expecting M5? Yes. That's what I'm expecting. But I'm projecting it at the same time. However, Tokyo may be a bit tricky in this, guys. I just feel like she's going to move higher, guys. Honestly, I think the test on this 50-day right here is solid. I think it's solid. I think it's solid. And I ain't hyping you up, guys. I'm showing you the basis of the psychology playing out. Listen to what I'm saying to you. It's all psychology. There's no BS about momentum. It's nothing. It's market makers getting their money out of the zone. They're getting their money out of the zone because if they don't, they will lose. Okay? They will lose. They need to get out of the zone. I'm literally the reason. Well, you know what? Keep it, bro. Atom. Let's have a look at Atom. You've taught more than my economical class has done today. Wow, that's crazy. But there's no economics in this game. And that's the sad truth, Kevin. You know? They base economical theory in this game. And I'm just going to shut it to bed right now. Okay? Let me just shut it to bed for all the new people in the stream. How many people are new to the stream? Can you please give me a hey ya? Give me a hey ya. You know? Or give me a Hadouken. Let's do some Street Fighter stuff. Give me a Hadouken, man. How many people are new to the stream? Hadouken. Give me a Hadouken, man. You know? Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Hadouken. Give me the Hadouken. Hadouken. Someone said. That's the best. I'm going to put to bed why the concept. Double click right panel in. Oh, look at Bitcoin. Look what she's doing. Oh, loading up my pipe, my Taylor. Happy days. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Just jumped on the stream. No worries if you did earlier. David, I'll get it up. I'll do it for you now, bro. E and J. Forgive me, guys, if I'm not going through all the coins, but Ethereum is just doing numbers right now. Wow. E and J messing about, man. I'd ideally want to. She might actually respect the 13 EMA on here, man. She could actually move from this point. Hong Kong in 15. Hong Kong in 15. Where we at? 1,278 people, guys. Oh, 1,312, sorry. They're all booming. SNX projection. Eddie, what's good, bro? I don't know if you saw me do it earlier on, bro. I did it earlier on. I did say that SNX would be hitting. Yep, look at that confirmation at the 50, man. That is perfect. Right. Ethereum's going to pull back. Bitcoin's going to pull back before Hong Kong. Hong Kong's going to step into play. She's going to work the zone slightly, and then she's going to move. Okay. Price projection at the average daily range. Up here, man. 25. That's what I'm looking for SNX, man. No financial advice, guys. I'm just painting pictures. That's what I'm doing. Here's an image for you. I did it today at nursery. There you go. Straight across. Okay. Now, as I was saying earlier on, the reason why I'm going to put to bed the concept of economics, okay? This is what happens, right? Let's take Ethereum today at the highs. I spoke about it earlier on, okay? I did speak about it earlier on. I'm new to this crypto business, haven't made much money. Well, to be honest, only 85. Bro, you've made money. You've made a return. That's all that matters. You make a return once, you can do it twice. Do it twice, the rest is history, bro. You know? The rest is history. Yes. Guys, thank you so much for coming into this stream, man. All the guys who are members, you know, members, subscribers, guys who are just always here in this stream. The goal is to serve you all right? And I started this stream 4 or 5 weeks ago, and before you know it, it's just grown and grown and grown. You know, I'm hoping that I can achieve the 10,000 subscriber mark by the end of the weekend. That will be awesome. So if you haven't subscribed already, please let's let that happen. I've updated the stream format as well, and we're going to be doing a couple of other things as well. Chuck G, you still in here, bro? This one's for you as well, bruv. We've updated the stream, and we're going to set it in the sense where we're going to have, if you guys are making money from this stream, we need to start paying things forward. The donations that you give me, I invest it back into the stream. Got myself a new laptop so we can have it at 1080p and make it a nice, smooth stream. The other donations are going to go to a charity called St. Jude's Charity for Cancer for Children. So if you do make money in this game, guys, and you make it on this stream, pay it to this charity. And I'm going to be setting up the stream. Mike Dutch is doing it for me, all right? He's going to set it so that you guys can donate your wins, a percentage of your wins, to that charity. And maybe we'll get the stream a little bit of recognition as well, you know? But we're doing it all for the good cause. Make sure you pay forward, guys. You know, if I were to stop streaming tomorrow, you would have enough of the channel with the videos in the past and previous projections and it all playing out, guys. Okay? On it all playing out. Autos, I ain't forgetting you, bro. Guys, Autos is the guy who established the trading view indicators. He took the time and effort to do so. Autos, I'll respond back to your message, bro, man. I haven't dismissed it. I will respond back to it, bro. Marius, you're being really kind, my friend. You're giving me too much, man. You know? You're giving me too much, bro, but thank you very much. Thank you so much to everyone. You know, mad love to all of you. Mad love, you know. And, you know, what can I say? My throat is gone. USDJ, US dollar yen. Didn't it go out to plan, bro? Let's see. Did it not go out to plan? Let's have a look. Yeah, she's going, man. She keeps going. Well, what's happened? We've got an M pattern on dollar yen. There we go. There we go. It's the M pattern. Still waiting for this zone here. Still waiting for it. She's going to hit it hard. Friday's profit day. Friday's profit day. Sorry, Grant, if it didn't play out, bro, you know, did you take Euro CAD? Euro CAD played out. Euro Aussie played out really well. Kiwi yen played out. GBP yen, did she play out? Where was I talking about? I don't remember the prices last night, man. Please go to last night's stream and have a look, all right? And let me know what the prices were. Put them in the comments of the video so I can refer back to it. But GBP USD did come back into play, okay? Kiwi yen is not in any zone right now. It's all over the place. New Zealand dollar. Kiwi dollar, is she doing it? Check out CELR. Trying to get it to bed here. Okay. Oh, sorry, bro. Okay. Here we go. Get CELR. CELR. All right, MCELR. Where we at? Oof. Really spiky, but if you look at it, bruv, okay? You do look at it, it's actually forming a lovely W. Look at it. See it? Let me just get this one up. Here we go. Drop, rise, drop, rise, drop. Go. Price projection. Where we at? The average daily range high. That's what I'm looking at, 0.02. Although it's a really small cap, you know, not much happening with it. You know, look, you can justify it from the spikes in price. You know? Algorand. We got Hong Kong coming up, guys. Hong Kong. Oh, Algo, what's she doing? There you go, guys. Look, price projections playing out. Should we create regional representatives in the world? I'd like to claim the Southern California region. Thank you for changing my life. Are people really changing their lives? That is nuts. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. Sushi blowing off. There you go. She's forming a W. Sushi is going to go. All right. She's forming a W. Price projection for sushi, right? I'm looking at the M5 23 and the 21's first target, and M5 24 is the next target from that point. Cameron, VTHO. Thank you, Cameron. Here we go, VTHO. Don't like you when it's against the tethers. Okay, wow. What's happened there? She just got pumped out. Wow, she got really pumped. Okay. It's a pleasure, guys. Absolute pleasure. Nothing on my back, guys. Ain't cost a penny. You know? You guys have been getting cleaned out in the industry, man. Of course after course after course. I will only endorse a course that actually brings something that can't be found anywhere else for free, because they created it. They put time and effort into it. All right? You know? Peter L, search for... Oh. Yeah, search for Traders Reality Indicator in TV. You know, Traders Reality, fucking hell. Trading View. Oh my God, man, I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing it. My voice is gone. All I've got is my vape. VET, man, you're just doing the numbers. Ready to hit the range 1. 0.0585, that's what I'm looking at. We need to pay attention to Ethereum. Where we at? Where we at with Ethereum? Where's she at? Oh my days, she's done it. She's only gone and done it. Bitcoin's done exactly the same. Is Bitcoin on the hourly? 15-minute time frame. Bitcoin, there we go. Oh man, Hong Kong's gonna bounce, man. Hong Kong's gonna move. They formed the W. This might actually just be a retrace continuation to the upside, guys. This might be the retrace continuation to the upside. Here we go. Let's see. This could be it. This could be from the low down here, rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. Let's see. Remember, guys, level 1 and level 3 are the hardest levels to determine. So you've got to have some flexibility. Exactly as projected, bro. We don't predict, we project. You know? We project. You the goey. That's funny. In the famous words of Mario, here we go. Let's go. Sanders made me 300 £300 on my your stream. Wicked. I've been long in ADA with leverage for 3 days at once. When should I sell? I'm only an artist point of view, of course. I mean, I don't know with ADA, man. You know? I don't know with ADA, man. Sack trades, man. Don't, bruv. Don't be silly. Why do I say project and not predict? You know what? You're the first person that's asked that. I'll tell you why I say project and not predict. Predict has no context behind it. I can just say, I predict price is going to rise. Happy days. There's your business. You know? What do you do there? When you say, well, how do you know it's going to rise? I just know it's going to rise. You know? Yes, this is it. The system, this system here, guys, the approach of the market maker method is by Steve Murray. I can't even say his name. Steve Morrow, market maker method. All right. I've taken Steve Morrow's method and Trader at Home's method and merged them together, and I'm presenting it as such. You know, that's why I'm saying it's free of charge. That's why I don't ever charge anyone for something that's available free of charge. Take both. Trader at Home, he is an unknown trader. No one knows who he is. They say he's a market maker with a grudge, okay? And he's getting back at the market makers because he's quite, you know, he says his point of view about the market makers. He created the system of the PVSRA candles. His system is price, volume, support, resistance analysis. I've been studying this methodology for over 6 years. Okay. And then you've got Steve Murray's method of the market maker method. He's the guy that understands the topic of the W's and the M's, when really the W's and the M's are like the Wyckoff theory. Okay. And what we've done is I've put them both together. Okay. Taken my year's experience of Trader at Home system, my experience of Steve Murray's system, and put them together. And what have we created? We've created a monster system, guys. Okay. It's an absolute monster. We are exploiting the game. All right. Algo. We are exploiting the game, guys. Pay it forward, man. You know anyone that can benefit from it, pay it forward. All right. Because people are saying their lives are changing. Please go and change other people's lives, man. Marcelo, man. Marcelo, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing to me, man? Right. That's what I'm looking at right here. Hong Kong, 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. My God. Give me a second. I'm just gonna get myself another drink. I've been chatting away. Let me just put some music on for you. Quick time. Okay, I'm getting a bit of interest on Algo. Let's see what she's doing. Algo's really moving, man. Algo is really moving. Let's see. Oh, she did it. She's near enough, just about to hit the high. Here we go. Where we at? Where we at? Come on. 4 more likes to achieve 1,300 likes, guys. Let me please check Atom. I'll check Atom for you right now. Atom is sitting here. Atom's pulling back to the 50-day moving average. Steve Mauro, M-A-U-R-O, Steve Mauro method. Go and have a look at it, guys. Go and download it. I think it's a course that is charged, and it's an expensive course, but you know, there's content across the internet, bits and bobs. Okay. Joking me. Here we go. Hong Kong in 3 minutes. Hong Kong in 3 minutes. When Hong Kong opens, right, that's when it gets busy. We're going to know if this move is to the upside. We're going to know if it's going to move to the upside. Right. The indicator view itself is this here. Okay. Yeah, IC. The thing is, the difference between trading on IC markets and trading on BitBuy is, in BitBuy you're actually buying cryptocurrency. On IC markets you're buying contracts for difference. So when you enter with £100 and you make £100, you can close the trade, and it's either going to cost you the spread or a fixed commission of something, depending on your size, a fixed commission of something really small. Okay, I pay one lot is about £7-8 to me. Okay, so if I open 10 lots, I'm paying 70 quid, but a move on 10 lots, if I make 5 pips on 10 lots, I'm realizing about 500-600 quid on that move. Okay, so what happens there is when I close the trade, I get the fiat back and I can withdraw it, and it doesn't cost me a penny. When you're on BitBuy, you have to withdraw it. You got the gas fees, you got the admin fees, all of those fees and percentage fees. Nah, man, I will never trade on BitBuy and Binance. No chance. Okay. Hong Kong is open, baby. Hong Kong is open, guys. I only trade Forex, guys. I only trade Forex. You know what? You don't trade small coins because there's no liquidity there. Yeah, there you go. Check them out, man. Go watch the videos on the market makers, man. Go watch them. I'm bringing it to you raw from the streams, man. Go and have a look. I mean, there's quite a lot of guys that do videos on the market maker. There's this one guy called Mark something, and he came up with a system about the market makers. The concept's exactly the same, okay? The concept is exactly the same, but he created a software which is nothing like this, okay? Because this software is free by Trader at Home. And the problem with this software here is you need to understand the candles. The concept behind these candles is when price is rising, it's you work. This software here helps you understand when the market makers are going short and when they're going long, okay? The Steve Murray method takes the Wyckoff method, okay? The Wyckoff method, and puts it all into context at key areas. So like when a W formation is formed, he explains to you how to understand the pattern, okay? And this is the pattern. That's why I keep saying it. That's what he says in it. Pattern, pattern, pattern. Studied both systems and incorporated them together. And hopefully you guys can understand them from my point of view. I see. To be honest with you guys, I don't know about Bybit. You know? Yeah, I don't know about Bybit, man. I don't know about Bybit or Binance. You know, I only use, because guys, I'm coming from Forex. You know, I'm coming from Forex, and I'm applying these two methods to, you know, to the crypto market, and they work. You know, yeah, we are 15 minutes early, guys. We are. It's weird, isn't it? So what we got? Bybit and Femex have contract markets. Thank you, guys. I have to post a limit order on Bybit to get paid for the transactions. Yeah, I don't understand how it works. I really don't. Yeah, so Cardano. We're waiting for ADA to move. Okay? My projections on ADA and Algo. Cardano is forming and sitting tight in a range. Okay? Look, sitting tight in a range. All right? She's holding the 200-day moving average. She's going to explode. What direction? I mean, they're not letting it drop, so they're holding this zone here. But something's brewing with ADA, man. Something is brewing, you know? Algo projection. Here we go. Price projection for Aldo. I'm looking for Algo to hit the M5, which is the 1.3296. That's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Here we go, guys. Hong Kong. We'll recover that candle right there. Look at the spreads. Look at Ethereum spreads. There you go. Up she goes. Happy days, Litecoin. Litecoin will move, man. ADA will be massive. SKL. What is SKL? Never known that kind. All right, and guys. Oh, SKL. Yeah, man. That trades really nicely for a small cap. Yeah, it trades really nicely for a low, or sorry, a cheap, very cheap coin. Look at the W formation. You can see it rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. Happy days. Let me just have a look at some Forex. No zone. USD CAD. ND. USD. Euro UAD. There you go. That target was hit, guys. We said 155, and now it's pulling back to the 50-day moving average. 1 day away from the peak formation. This is what we're expecting from her. Okay? We're expecting the W formation, which is down here. Okay? Get it drawn out for you. How about Sol? You know what? I've not looked at Sol, guys. I can't believe it. There's a W formation down here. I'm just being brief with my W formation out there. Waiting for a rise. Okay. Retrace, which is what she's doing now. Notice the purple candles. Price will return back up. My price projection for Euro Aussie, I'm looking at 155,750. Why? Because look at the true psychological support and resistance, guys. Okay? The true psychological support and resistance. Happy days. Here we go. What are they doing? Icon. Sol, let's look at Sol. All right, in. Another 5-10 more minutes, guys. I'm going to go through some more projections. Ooh, Sol has pulled back. Sol hasn't done much. Look, guys, what I'm finding is all the big coins are sitting in the altcoins, right? They're all sitting at the 200-day moving average, right? That's what they're doing. They're all sitting at the 200-day moving average. That's what's happening. You know, we're going to see what happens when ADA moves, okay? That's when there's going to be a problem in the market. UTK, bro. Sorry, man. I keep seeing you put that. My mind goes somewhere else. UTK. Nice. I mean, at the 50-day moving average, she pins the low and pulls back. You know? So let's see what happens. Where could it go? Who knows? We don't... Look, guys, I'm giving you projections. Will they play out? Who knows? Okay? But be responsible with your trades, guys. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just showing you the pattern, how to understand it. Do it yourselves, guys. If I stop doing this YouTube thing tomorrow, you will have enough videos to go over. But ultimately, it's you guys that need to place the trades. It's on you, no one else. You know? Here we go. Here we go. UNFI. What is that? UNFI. Here we go. That's at the 200-day, bro. Tanking down to the 200-day. May find support. It may find support. Oh, yes. Look at that. Recovered. The big green candle recovered. You see it happening. Black and white right there. Green candle, shorts at higher prices. Manipulate the market. M pattern formation. Drop. Retrace. Drop. Retrace. Drop. What's next? Are we forming a W formation? Who knows? Okay. All right then. Hong Kong's moving up, guys. Let's have a look. Hong Kong's moving up. Hong Kong is moving up. Is trading view worth the money? My opinion. If you want the accessibility to loads of coins, in my opinion, maybe. But I don't know, man. You don't get many coins on IC markets. The only coins you get on IC markets are the heaviest coins that are traded, which is Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay? Now, Ethereum is looking to move out. She's moving out of the zone, guys. Here we go. Here we go. She's moving. Target $200 for Litecoin. Happy days. That's not from now in the next 2 hours. That is from now up until the end of the week. That's my projection because she does have quite a bit of a distance to go. Okay? But Bitcoin is moving. Thank you, Danny, man. Bitcoin is moving. Do you think Euro USD is about to go short? Hold on. I'll tell you now, bro. Do I think it's going to go short? Let me tell you now. Euro USD. Short. Yeah, Euro USD is going short, bro. That's my objection. That's my projection. Because we've got effectively an M pattern here. Rejection at the 800 EMA on the 50-minute time frame, which is the 200 day on the 1 hourly. She drops, rise, retrace. Okay? She's going to retrace down, break this level, probably come back, retrace, continuation to retest potentially the 1200 mark. By the time she goes there, she'll then effectively move to the upside. Come back to the stream and see if it plays out. Come back and let me know if it plays out, man. Oh my days. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. How much money is needed to make anything using this method? It's not the money. It's your ability as a trader. You can start with £10, you know, and open the most minimal amount, you know. What if the W is invalid? Is a W invalid if the second leg is lower than the first leg? Listen, if the second leg is lower than the first leg, now if it's too far down, there's no point, okay? But if it is lower, but then it returns back up, okay, and it's at a moving average, happy days, you know, happy days. Okay. Okay. All right then, guys. See where we at. And we see I've done Luna at 5%. There you go, guys. Here we go. She's going to retake this zone here. Remember this candle. I drew it earlier on. She's moving. Hong Kong's moving, guys. M4 in sight. M4 is in sight. M4 is in sight. They're moving. Litecoin should be doing the same. Yep. Happy days. Happy days. Happy days. I hope you guys are... Guys, I ain't going to look at coins. I'm looking at the mains. The coins aren't doing nothing, man. The altcoins aren't moving. This is where the money's going. They're moving the majors. Look at the size of those coins, guys. Look at them. Green candles. Green candles across the board. Watch. Green candles across the board. Here we go. They've confirmed it. Boom. Look at the spreads. 16, 16. Marcelo, 16, 16. It hit it, bro. It hit it, bro. They're moving. They're moving out of the zone. We've got another move to the upside, guys. Another move to the upside. Here we go. She's kicking. She's moving. 8.5k subs, man. Wow, is it 8.5k? Wow. All my people are here tonight, man. All my people are here tonight. If anybody's new to the stream, please grab it up, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Where should this move go? Look where it's going, bro. Going up. It's going up. Let's just sit back and enjoy it. You know? All right, let me just dry my throat. My throat is gone. Sex, guys. Okay. Like, guys, this is wild, man. You understand, guys, what we've been speaking about this evening? Do you understand? All right? You see how when you understand the psychology of what they try and do in certain areas, okay? And then they push out of the zone. It's just crazy. It's crazy, but we got to be careful. Look, when you see fast moves, you know, expect them to be fast on the way back, okay? No hype. Explain the wick in this ether move, please. Okay, so the what wick? The candle's not finished yet. When the candle finishes, we'll discuss it. Here we go. Here we go. How'd you put the time zones up? How's the voice? What's good, bro? Well, how's the voice, Professor? It's all good. Yeah, man. PC Shed, you're putting it clearly, man. When you see the patterns project out, you know. Yeah, this Farid, this is what this system that I use. I'm using two systems. I'm using the trader at home, okay, the PVSRA system, and I'm using Steve Murray's system, okay? Both market maker systems. Marcelo, man. Yo, guys, Marcelo is the highest donator in this stream, man. He's non-stop, just, you know, donating continuously to the stream. I'm honestly humbled, Marcelo. Thank you, bro. Honestly, my man. God bless you, bruv. God bless you. I know, man. I've got the lozenges, to be fair, man. I do actually have the lozenges, but I don't even bother with them sometimes. You know? I actually don't bother with them. But this is it. This is it. Marcelo knows when he sees value. Bless him. No, Marcelo's good, man. Marcelo's good. Get that name on screen, brother. Get that name on screen. What screen? What do you mean? What does he mean? What do you mean, get the name? What name? Oh my days. Bro, guys, that is crazy. You don't have, guys, honestly. Thank you so much. It's like a battle between Marcelo and Gelu, man. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Bless you guys. Honestly, I put it back into the stream, guys. I put it back into the stream. You know, I put it back into the stream. You guys are witnessing that. You're witnessing price play out. We've just been Lambros, you know. Lambros, that's it, Marcelo. My guy. Lambros, I like it. But the highest donator on the stream. In what sense? How do we do that? Marcelo, you highest donator. I'll put him up on here. Highest donator on the stream. I mean, he's been donating non-stop throughout the week. Thank you so much, guys. It's Steve Mowry. It's M-A-U-R-E. Steve Mowry method. He talks about the Wyckoff method. Yeah, he talks about the Wyckoff method. That's why a lot of guys are coming to the stream saying, you know, is this the Wyckoff method? And it's on the principle of the Wyckoff method. But Steve Mowry, I can't even say it, man. This was about 10, 12 years ago, man. You know? This is true. This is true. Oh my God, I'm green. This is unheard of. Wow. Marcelo's a market maker. Yeah. There you go, Steve Mauro. There you go. It's fundamental. Yeah, it's the look. It is the Elliott wave method. There's parts of the Wyckoff method and all that. You know, it is part of that, but there are bigger things behind it. You know, there's the element of understanding the market maker's behavior. Because look, the market maker method that Steve talks about doesn't incorporate these candles because this is a different method. So what I've done is I've incorporated both schools of thought and effectively made a hybrid. And I use both methodologies, okay? I've understood both methodologies and I'm putting them both together, all right? And I'm presenting them to you guys, you know? Marcelo's Tino's mum. Nah, my mum normally comes in here. We just did a pin. Yes, we did a pin, but it's effectively formed the high of the Asian session. Okay. And let's see what happens. Look how busy it is, man. The whole market is pumping. Yeah, they are pumping it. I can see it. You know, they're pumping it. Market makers have induced enough traders. Happy days. Let's move. Move out of the zone. Moving out of the zone. Marcelo, man. Crazy. Crazy moves. F Google. Almost sold at -2. Okay. Come on, guys. Happy days, happy days, happy days. Come on, let's move, let's move, let's move. Move the candle. Be careful for the M on the week chart of Bitcoin. Remember, always keep an eye on the bigger picture. This is true, but we're not in it long enough, bro. We're not in the trades long enough. This is a short-term day trade setups, man. Short-term day trades, that's where we at. You know, that's what we do. One more time, yeah. I want to thank all my members that have become members tonight. Why is Marcelo's name not on my screen? How do you want me to put it on the screen? I don't know what you mean. Do you want me to just literally write it in comments up here? I need to know. Tell me how you want it done. Now, it ain't going down, man. It's pumping up. It's going to break out to this red candle, guys. Witness the projection. Witness the projection. In a bit, Eddie. Take it easy, brother. Come on. What do you think London session will move market, Tina? Okay, so the London session will eat, depending on where Hong Kong take this. Okay, get a throat mic. Yeah. Okay, if Hong Kong takes this to higher ground and hits the M4, the London session, you put a name on screen from Streamlabs at Traders Reality. Okay, that's something that Mike has to do. I can't do that. I don't know how to do that, guys. Look, I'm learning this streaming game, man. All I know is I can bring to you, I can bring to you the content, the setup of the content. That's my guy, Mike, man. You know, can you do an interview PC Shed whenever you get the time? Yes. Yes, I will. PC Shed. We'll have a conversation. All right, let's do it. We'll do it. Here we go. Here we go. You happy with that? Happy days. You happy with that? Let's go. Top donator, Marcelo. My guy, Marcelo. Thank you very much, bro. It's the PVSRA, guys. Listen, guys, the PVSRA is a very particular system, okay? I've incorporated it in with the Steve Mowry method because I understand what these candles are delivering, you know? They are very important candles in giving you the impression of what market makers are doing. You have to understand as well, market makers do certain things at key levels. I haven't got the key levels on here, okay? But if you want the key levels, you can do them like this. Indicators, go to access panel, press edit. And then you go down to show levels on. I like to just put on the levels, but the higher the cost, the smaller the levels, okay? Can you see the blue and the brown, okay? See the blue and the brown. Because how Ethereum is so expensive, all right? You know, they are quite close to each other, all right? But price market makers build above and below these zones. They build profit in these zones, okay? And in the videos, I actually explain more about it, okay? I explain more about it. Excuse me. Okay. Here we go. We on. Here we go. Marius. Oh, Marius tonight. Actually, Marius has been donating a lot tonight, guys. frankly, Marius has been donating a lot tonight, guys. I need to acknowledge that. Okay. Top donators, man. I have to acknowledge it. Top donators. Happy days, man. Top donator there. And then we got one more. We've got one more for my guy. Where's he at? Where's he at? There he is. Galu. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. God bless you guys, man. Here you go. Top donator. Marcelo, Marius, and Galu, man. Thank you so much. But Ethereum is moving. Bitcoin is moving, guys. You're witnessing the projection happening. My target for 52 M5 141 in play. I was saying that earlier on today, this morning. Still in sight. Yo, Rusty, man, like is not a problem, bro. That's fine. Your contribution here is what it is, man. Look, Dolcan, listen. Tomorrow it changes. Tomorrow it completely changes. I invest the actual donations of the stream back into the stream itself. Okay, tomorrow I've got a brand new laptop on its way. Okay, where we're going to stream 1080p. We're going to update the stream setup as well. So you ain't going to have no issues, guys. Okay, that's my commitment to you. Okay, I do not like the idea that people can't see the numbers and are struggling with a lot of it. Okay, so I'm going to get it fixed for you guys. So please bear with me, man. And we can, yeah, and we can run the donator scroll. We can do all sorts. Top 3 donators. What do we know about the number 3, guys? There you go, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Top 3 donators. I hope everyone has learned a lot in here, guys. You know, I hope everyone has. And move it forward. Pay it forward, man. You know, pay it forward, guys. Bitcoin and Ethereum are moving. I need Ethereum to break this red box here, man. I need him to break this box right here. Where does your art project for Ethereum again? My projection for Ethereum, my artistic work is telling me that we've effectively had a small W formation down here, but it was longer than the previous first leg, okay? However, it was at the 200-day moving average, 800-day moving average on the 15-minute time frame, all right, which the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute time frame is the 50-day moving average on the 1 hourly, okay? Its price came back down, snapped back. They induced the traders to go short, trapped the liquidity, shifted out of the zone. They pinned the lows twice, up they went, moving aggressively out the zone. If you consider Litecoin as well at this point, look at what she's doing. She's moving nicely, moving beautifully. My price projection for Litecoin, I mean, I'm looking up there. 200 is my price projection for Litecoin. And the M4 1635 is my projection for Ethereum. Before she hits that, she may actually rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. Okay, but it depends on how strong this move is. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. The significance of the 50 and the 200-day crossover happened in Sushi, after which price tanked. It depends on how it crossed. Projection for Bitcoin is 52,141. Guys, I'm a short-term day trader. The White Phoenix, man, God bless you, man. I mean, the actual donations for any cryptocurrency is in the Discord. It's under the donations tab. So there's various ways if you want to donate there, but I'm humbled by all your donations, guys. I put it all back into the stream. This is true. Yeah, sure. We'll look at it one more time. Go. Look at Ethereum. Are we going to see the pattern project out? Is it going to play out? I believe it is. The red box, the blue box is going to be taken out, guys. There you go. There's Sol, dude. I don't know why everyone's hyping it up, man. Nothing happening on it. M indicator. Yeah, it does work. Here you go, guys. Are we going to hit it? Are we recovering the red candle here? Are we recovering it? Let's have a look at Bitcoin. What's she doing? Bitcoin price projection, as I said earlier on, M5 52141 is in line with what? The previous red candle. Happy days. You see it play out all the time, guys. Witness the projection. Witness the projection. I know, Lawrence, man. Thank you very much, brother. I know. I know. Thank you very much. Yeah, need to go sleep. Bottom trade 2K so far long on Bitcoin. Happy days. Happy days. Crow, Anthony. Have a look at Crow. Okay, good. Not listed anywhere, so I'm just take it. Yeah, Crow looks good, man. Crow does look good. Look, does look really good. Nice move there. What I'm gonna do, guys, for the members only, I'm gonna do like an evening where we literally go through all the altcoins and we can talk about understanding what the coins are and understanding why some coins you can invest in, some coins you shouldn't. I'm just gonna do topics like that. I'm gonna do Forex ones as well. People have been asking for Forex, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a members only Forex class because the live streams tonight, I'm trying to cater for everyone. Okay. So, we'll be getting to that stuff sorted. We're getting it soon. Oh, God. You want Tron targets. Tron. You're killing it on there, bro. You're killing the spam right there. Tron. Here we go. The Tron target. Tron target has pretty much been hit. Yeah. Could hit the M5. The M5 0.054 because it's coming out of the zone, which you can see right here, coming out of the zone, W formation right there, breakout. It'll hit the M5, I believe, which is 0.0536. The member, how do you become a member? If you've got the super chat on, it says at the bottom next to the emoji, there's a $sign there. You just click it, or you go out of the video and it says join on the channel. So subscribe and join. There's the two buttons next to it. Yes, it is more accurate. Ozone is accurate in Forex. It is completely accurate in Forex. Why? Because there's the liquidity there to move price. $6.5 trillion a day turnover. Okay, $6.5 trillion a day turnover. All right, and then you've got cryptocurrency, which is 1.8 trillion. Yes, it's growing. It's growing, but cryptocurrency. Sorry, Forex. It's Forex, man. Would you take a look at? I will look at Fetch. Yes. And what we're also going to do with the stream, guys, is we're going to set it so that a list of coins that is due to come up next is going to be on the stream. Going to be rolling over on the stream. Yep, Fetch is all right, man. Fetch is doing good. Hold on, look at Ethereum. Look at Bitcoin. We need to see this. Is there a way to pay once instead of monthly? Oh, I don't know how it works there, bro. What are the other factors you need to consider when trading this strategy in Forex compared to crypto? With Forex, man, you have to consider that the news as well. There's an influence of news. Okay, that's what. Listen, I'm going to explain that in those members things. Oh my god. Oh my god. Galu, bro, you are killing it. Look, guys, there you go. Ethereum has completed the projection. She tested the 200-day moving average as projected. We wanted her to bounce away from it in line with the psychology. Gay Luzar, thank you very much, my friend. God bless you, man. Thank you so much. Ethereum comes back down to this day. Go back in the stream at the start and listen to what I say there. Repeat those in your mind's eye and in your ears, okay? Repeat it to yourselves because when you see it, you'll be able to understand from it. You know, when you see it, you'll be able to understand. All right. We've hit the previous red candle. Bitcoin needs to hit this area up here. Why? Because they need to get the shorts and the longs paid out. They need to get the longs paid out. And what do we know about the number 3, guys? Bitcoin. 1, 2. Is this candle going to be the 1? 3. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what they do. Exactly what they do. No. Three. Top donators, the number 3. Ethereum is going to hit the M4, but we've taken out the M3, guys, and we haven't retraced. I'm expecting a retrace. However, man, there's something going off. Hong Kong is moving price. They're setting up the zone, guys. They're setting up the zone for the New York reversal, I believe. They're setting it up, okay? They're going to move away from the 50-day moving average and just trade away from it. Tomorrow's Thursday. We got Friday, the profit day. Okay. Why the target is 1635? The reason is it's because it's the M4 pivot. Tino called sushi's gonna move. Insta entered. Sell, buy Bitcoin, please tell them. Litecoin gonna go up more then. Here we go. Litecoin is trailing up beautifully, man. She's moving up nicely. He's moving up nicely. Guys, I'm blessed by all of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys who've subscribed, everything. Thank you, Galu, man. Thank you so much, bro. You've given me so much tonight. Nearly £300-400, man. That is nuts. You know, that is crazy. Okay, I mean, check out. Nice. So to recover from the previous red candle, Litecoin has to go to 208. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, we're expecting a retrace now, guys. This is the retrace coming out of the W formation right there. What Litecoin candle are you talking about? The red candle. There you go. Correct, my friend. To recover back the red candle. Which red candle are you talking about? 208. Is that 208? That's 202. 208. I mean, where are you seeing that red candle? Unless it's being printed differently on a different time on a different platform. Litecoin's going to take out the yesterday's high. 1 in, out, 1 hour, 35. In and out, 1 hour, 35. 3 successful trades. That makes 7 out of 7 profit trades. Today I'm off to bed until Friday. Good lad. Good lad. You see, guys, you guys are actually earning, man. You guys are earning. I'm so glad. Pay it forward. T with the tattoo pattern, man. Who just asked me ZRX? Here we go. Guys, honestly, your support in the channel is nuts. Absolutely nuts. I'm grateful, honestly. You know, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. ZRX is right there, guys. I'm telling you, they're holding the majors. They're moving the majors and holding the alts. Look, they're all doing exactly the same. MKR, you know, they're all doing exactly the same. We need to pay attention to Ethereum and Bitcoin. You know, look, they're all at the 50-day moving averages. They ain't doing nothing, okay? We need to pay attention. Pay attention to Ethereum and Bitcoin. You'll understand the patterns better when you pay attention to the guys where most of the money is. You know, if we collectively make $500,000, will you get the tattoo? Granted. Deal. Granted. Deal. I'll call it out now. if we collectively all make, okay, as a group, as a stream, all the subscribers, okay, in the Discord, if you guys make $500,000, I did it at the start, guys. I said to you guys, we should do the $1 million challenge when the Discord had collectively earned $125,000, okay? Now, I said it, 1 million. Well, 500,000, okay? I will get the tattoo. I will get the tattoo and I will take a picture of it and I will post it to the Discord. How about that? I mean, if you go, right, Killen, the best way for you to understand the projections, okay? Go and watch last night's video. Last night's video. Yeah, I know I need to verify the gains. The only way I can verify the gains, guys, is if you go to the... I mean, PC Shed is probably the only one that is showing verified gains. I've got another guy called Nicholas. I've got the Schmo. He's been verifying. They've been sending me images of their transactions that where they've shown the victory. You know, I think we are at 350,000. I think we are at 350,000. Yes, if you get the tattoo, I'll get it if I hit 100. If I hit 100k subscribers too. Spoke about that 125 night earlier in this chat. Yes, you did, bro. There you go, man. Is there no way of getting these indicators on trading because I cannot open accounts with brokerages, therefore MT4 is not possible for me. Hugo White. Go to the Discord, bro. In the Discord, all right? I did. I was here watching the last few days. Wicked, bro. No worries, Killing. Yeah, guys, the trick of the trade is in the previous streams. The streams, guys, right? Let me tell you this. These streams started, right? They started on the 21st of January. Look at all these notes. We have got the proof right here, the logical proof of the moves playing out in our favor. We started on the 21st of January. And right there. And since then, guys, we have been riding the market non-stop. Absolutely ripping it, you know. Now, we are just waiting for, oh, look at that, man. Look at that. She's playing ball. Bitcoin and Ethereum are playing ball. Brandon, help me so much as a single father. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, you're helping me. Where's my son? Bro, that's kicking my heart, man. That's proper got me, man. Fucking hell. Shit. Not the first either, bro. You're not the first guy either. There's a woman who says that, you know, I think it's, if I read it correctly, her partner and her have lost work because of the coronavirus. She's trading and he's looking after the kids, man. And this stream's helping them. You know, that's really humbling, Brendan, man. You need any help, bro, you get at me. Let me know, man. You know, I'm grateful, man. Thank you. Guys, mad props to Brandon, man. That is ill, man. I can't believe he said that, man. That is crazy. You understand why it's such a shit thing when people try to tax people just for knowledge, you know? If these guys that are selling courses are actually getting, if the market's paying them, why are they charging people, man? Why do we have to have this, you know, sometimes a capitalistic mindset, you know, it's a piece of, it's shit. Doesn't make sense. You know, if you're in the business of making money, why are you trying to charge people the other end? You know? Why are you taxing them for free information as well? You know? Taking information from baby pips and putting it into a, oh God, it's bollocks. At least you know what, with the information here, yeah? The information here is doing something. You know, it's not one of those courses where you just put a 5-star review and say, yeah, I've learnt the markets. BS, man. You know? It is absolute BS. Honestly. That's what winds me up about the game, man. You know, that's why I just only focus on trading price. No other bullshit. I'm completely off social media. I don't bother with it. You know? Too many airheads. There is only a few guys that are killing it in the game. a few guys that genuinely have the ability to show their articulate approach to it. You know? They are, man. And Chuck G. Chuck G is only doing what I'm doing, guys. He's coming, you know? He's coming and he's helping you guys. These patterns, you know what though? Steve Mowry, you know, he teaches the market maker method. The trader at home, he teaches the market maker method. There are variations of it. Okay? There are variations of the market maker method. All I've done, guys, is I've put it all together. I've merged the two systems together and I've effectively created a hybrid, because this is what's really important for you guys. Okay? You need to make sure that the system matches your personality. You know, you need to match the personality, because if you ain't got the personality matched to your system, you're fucked. All right? It's game over for you. If you're a trader that's impulsive, you can't be swing trading. You need to be a scalper. You need to be in and you need to be out. I hope I hope every day is the best session, guys. I hope every day is the best session. There you go, GRT, my friend. Spiked at the 50-day moving average. It hasn't broken it. It's completely respected it. My projection for that. There you go, right there. That's my projection for GRT. $2.31. You know what? BitBoy does his own business, man. You know, we can't disrespect the guy and he's not here. But you understand, like, he's doing his own thing. He appeals to certain people, you know. I don't like licorice. People like licorice. We will always have this battle in life. Not everyone will see eye to eye, you know. I know. You know what, Lawrence? I generally believe I have. You know why? Because I said it yesterday. The world is tired, man. Coronavirus has completely battered the world. You know? It's hurt the world. And you know what? We're hopefully coming out of that game, man. Hopefully, because there are so many people. I mean, I've been at home for the best part of nearly a year with my daughter, man. Best part of a year of my daughter at home, you know? And it's hard. Pattern, dollar yen, Friday. Do you know what? I've heard about this market cipher. You know what? Don't even know what it is. I actually have no idea what market cipher is. Mike Dutch told me about it earlier on. Okay. Mike Dutch told me about it earlier on, and I'm just like, hold on a second, man. It's guys, look, if you're not following the business model, then whatever indicator it is, market cipher the market, rip the market, it's BS, man. Sorry, if it works, it works. Fair enough. So what? 55 to 60% success rate. Yeah, all right. Happy days. I'm not in this business, man. Steve Murray says it. I'm not in this business to make 50 to 60% returns. All right. You know, Steve Murray is the big motivator for me, man. He's raw. He's ruthless. His system is the market maker system. Trader at home. Trader at home, guys. He is the professor. He is the professor. You know, he comes across as a very meticulous guy. You know, proper, you know, class. There's no nonsense kind of brer, you know? And he's sick. I'm just bringing it to all of you, man. It's only an indicator, you know? Why is it $400 a month for Market Cipher? Marky, you know. Okay, how about this? I've come to you, okay? I've come to you with this strategy that's free of charge. It's all to do with the psychology of the market. Problem with trading right now, sorry, what the hell did I just say? The problem with trading right now is everybody needs to see, everyone thinks that there has to be a holy grail. There has to be a system that consistently makes money. It's a lie, okay? What you guys need to understand is the psychology of the market. Why does price rise, okay? and then it drops straight away. The joke is this: before you can get into Trader at Home's platform, you have to answer the question. Okay, you need to understand the questions. What he does is he stop people coming in and spamming the hell out of the place. You would have had to have followed him from the days of Forex Factory when he was on there. That was nearly 7 years ago, and that's when I started. It's taken me, yeah, you're not gonna find it. You know what I mean? It's crazy. You're not gonna find it. The guy is literally low key. You know, he has a very tight knit community. He ain't messing about. He ain't pissing about, man. He's a rough guy. You know, he knows what he's doing. He knows completely, guys. It's nuts. Okay, then. All right, what we're expecting now. Okay, guys, look. It's, you know what? It's not even about being humble, guys. It's being compassionate. That's all it is. Got to be compassionate. You know, I'll do that. You know, I will make the Discord. What PDF? What PDF do you need? PDF you're talking about, bro. But yeah, it's just about being compassionate, guys. You know, we're made in the image of God. That's how it is. But yet none of us actually treat each other that way. Everyone's pissed off at everyone. You know? Oh, the PDF from the web. Which website? What, my website? The PDF from my website. Tell me if it is that, and I'll post it into the Discord. You know, it's just a short little PDF. I'll get it over to you. Oh, okay, yeah, I get that. I get that. So, you know, give us a sign if they try to kidnap you. They ain't gonna try to kidnap me. How do you connect to your own matrix? Great question. Yes, my website. Okay, Marcelo, I'm gonna put it in the Discord. You know what? Wait there. Sorry. Excuse me, guys. So sorry. Here we go. Here is the document that is on the website. Oh my God. Where is it? Here you go. How to trade the right way. Put it in the general chat, guys. Everyone. Uzi, would you get out a trade at 40%? Of course you would, man. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you get out a trade at 40%? I've got several accounts with MT4. You know, I've got several accounts. I have different leverages. One leverage account, I got 500 to 1. The video on how to grow a small Forex account in the channel, that was an account with 500 to 1 leverage. And that's how I managed to grow the account over 107 trades. Okay. That video shows you when you know how to, when you understand leverage properly, it can work in your favor. Okay. Impressive entry on engine for you right now, sir. Okay. Sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. My voice is gone. My voice is gone, guys. Shit. Ow. Excuse me. Robin. Hold on, guys. I need to sort my throat out. Yeah, listen. The volatility in crypto is different to Forex, guys. It is very different. Okay? 2 seconds, guys.
There's something in the air. There's something in the air.
Sorry about that, guys, man. Throat is just yippee-ki-yay. But, guys, listen, guys, if you can incorporate the method that I'm bringing to you guys, okay? Look, guys, listen, it's all about helping each other. Yeah? It's all about helping each other. I've taken 2 systems that I've spent the best part of 10 years, okay, trying to understand. My opinion on the GME saga, you know what? I think it's funny. Yeah, I think it's so funny that they can actually exploit. Retail trader exploits the players. But what's really funny is the retail trader only exploited the retail trader. Remember, banks, hedge funds, institutions, they're retail traders. They're still dumb money. The dumb money played dumb money. You know? Yeah, I'm going to rest it up, man. How do you unwind from this intense learning head fuckery? Ask Crypto Rover. Talk 4 hours without stopping and his voice is perfect. He should have taken singing lessons. Yeah, but you're forgetting one thing, bro. Yeah? I've been streaming back to back for the past 4 weeks, nearly 16 hours a day. You know? Maybe not 16 hours, but I would say every single night, all right? 6 days a week for the past 4 or 5 weeks, bro. Let's see if Crypto Rover can do that. 4 hours without stopping. Let's see if he can do that, bro. You know? I ain't crying, man. It's just my voice is pretty much done. You know? Guys, if you can, you can increase your edge, then happy days, man. Okay, then. I will. You know what? I'm going to do what you guys say. So, I'm going to finalize it for you. Okay? We have effectively smashed out records tonight, guys. Thank you so much. All right? Ethereum will effectively take the M4. All right? That's what I'm looking at her to do. She will take it. Bitcoin will do the same. All right? And tomorrow we get the new computer. All right? And we are going to completely rip it up in the streams moving forward, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do. I'm trying to get to 10K by the end of the week. All right. And I know it's achievable. And I just want to thank all of you guys, all 1,070 of you guys. I love you. And you guys all tell me your stories in private chats, man. And I'm humbled by it that you can just open up, because to me, You guys, I'm a stranger to you guys, but I pretty much come with open arms, if you know what I'm saying. I'm compassionate. You know, I do believe in helping the brothers and the sisters. You know, brothers and sisters, that's where we at. All right. We're all about increasing it all. Get that paper, guys. You know, we're changing lives. We're moving forward. Let's get out of this COVID madness and let's play. You know, but ultimately, guys, I leave you with one thought. All right. Happy days. That's what it's about. You know, happy days. I'm going to go and rest. I'm going to sleep well because I know you guys have earned well tonight. Thank you to all the donators, man. You know, thank you to the donators. Robin, apparently you need to download an app called Wine Glass, Wine Bottle, okay, which will allow you to download MT4 on the Mac. But there should be some stuff on YouTube, man. Should be some stuff on YouTube. Happy days, guys. Happy days. We get to 1 million, I'm going to get the tattoo Happy Days. 500,000, we're going to go to the we're going to get the pattern, and then Happy Days 1 million, I'm going to get Happy Days across my chest. Happy days, guys. You know? Yeah, I've got some gummy bears in my mouth because my daughter likes gummy bears. All right? All right, guys. You take it easy, okay? I will speak to you guys tomorrow. All right? Much love to all of you. Thank you and God bless you all. Good night, guys. See you in a bit.